Okay guys. Okay guys. So kita mula. We start. Are you guys ready? Everyone here? Semua bersedia? Okay, so we start. Okay, before I start, sebelum saya mula. Okay, so guys, anyone here like still struggling on many topics in AdMaths? Can you comment? Siapa kat sini sekarang struggle banyak topik AdMaths? Anyone over here? Can you comment yes if you're struggling? Kalau kamu masih struggle, cakap ya. Okay, so still got right a lot. Okay, so for those that really last minute lah, I think you guys are the last minute gang. So for those memang last minute, right? I will suggest you guys go to my YouTube. Okay, kalau nak belajar last minute lah, okay, you guys just see my YouTube channel. Can? Boleh? I think this is the only thing that can help you right now lah. Okay, like what some people say, just go through my video. Okay, kamu lihat semua video saya tentang AdMaths. Alright? So this is the only thing that can help you now guys for AdMaths. Okay, my YouTube. Boleh nampak kan? So for those taking AdMaths, you guys can see lah most of the chapter. Boleh nampak banyak bab. Okay, for AdMaths. Okay, so you just go to the AdMaths. Semua bab AdMaths like probability, apa lagi, trigo, linear programming. Okay, semua bab lah. Okay, all the chapter you guys can refer over here. Okay, so boleh pergi kat sini dan ulang kaji. Permutation, combination, okay, integration, banyak, got a lot. Okay, so you guys can actually go over here lah and revise. Okay, boleh ulang kaji last minute. Okay guys, can so you guys make sure watch. Okay, rugi sangat kalau tak tengok. Okay, you will lose a lot if you don't see one. Because most of the topics are here already. Okay, so you can go and see lah. Okay, and you can share to your friend also that want to revise. Okay, boleh kongsi ke kawan-kawan. Alright. Okay, so we start now. Okay, so guys, can you all see the paper? Last day tengok AM video. Yes, correct. Okay, so you can see, right? The paper. Boleh nampak kertas? Okay, so we will start with paper 1. Okay, so this question. Okay, so basically we will start with paper 1 and then paper 2. Okay, kertas 1 dan kertas 2. Alright? Okay, so guys, the concept is I will ask which question you want to discuss. Okay, maksudnya kita bincang soalan yang susah sahajalah. Okay, saya rasa kalau buat soalan susah baru dia bermakna. Am I right? We just do the hard questions that you all cannot solve. Okay? Can guys? Okay, so for question 1, do you all want me discuss? Soalan 1 nak bincang ke tak? Yes or no? Soalan 1 ni. Yes or no? Nah. Okay, got. Okay, one person also say yes, I'll still discuss. Okay, satu orang cakap ya, I'll still discuss. Alright. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to find the value of theta in radian. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai theta. So this is your circular measure. Okay, bab sukatan membulat. Alright, so they tell you that the length of arc PR is 6.4 and PQR equal to PRS equal to theta. Okay, so maksudnya ini dua info lah. And then they say that PQR is a circle with radius 8 cm. Okay, jari bulatan is 8 cm. So now you can actually start to label, guys. Okay, so you see PQR is a circle. Okay, so PQR. So PQR. Okay, actually they should say, wait, okay. You guys must see like this. PQR. Boleh nampak sector ni tak, guys? Can you all see this sector? PQR. So this is actually a part of a circle. Ini adalah salah satu bulatan. Okay, and then they say the radius is 8 cm. Okay, jari dia 8 cm. Alright. And then they say PR is 6.4. Okay, so you just label lah. PR is 6.4. And then PQR equal PRS equal theta. Okay, so PQR theta, PRS theta. Alright. So now you need to find theta. So guys, macam mana selesaikan yang ni? Senang. Very simple. So what is the formula you guys use? Apa rumus dia? Cuba komen. Yes. So what is the formula? Can you all type out? Apa rumus dia? Anyone? Can you type out the formula? No. The complete formula, guys. Saya nak rumus lengkap untuk cari theta ni. Yes. Okay, S equal to R theta. Am I right? S equal to J theta pun boleh. Alright, so your S is what, guys? Apa nilai S kat sini? What is your S value based on the question? Yeah, 6.4, right? Bowen, 6.4. Okay, 6.4 is your length of arc. Okay, panjang lengkok. Can you see? Length of arc PR is 6.4. So S equals 6.4. And then what is your R value, guys? Apa nilai R? Okay, very good. 8. And then you need to find theta lah. So just selesaikan. Okay, just solve this equation. Then you will get for theta. Okay, so you can see over here. This is the answer. Okay, so your theta should get 0.8 radian. Okay, ingat guys, when you use this formula, your angle must always be in radian. Okay, sudut ni selalu kena dalam unit radian. Okay, understand? Always radian mode. Okay, all right. So this one is question A. And then question B, they ask you to show that PR equal to 6.23 cm. Okay, kamu kena tunjukkanlah PR 6.23. So guys, PR ni kita panggil dia apa? Can anyone tell me? What does PR represent? PR ni sebenarnya apa? Anyone? There is a specific name for it. Ada satu nama untuk dia. PR. Anyone know? Yes. Okay, it's called as chord, guys. Have you all learned it? Okay, perentas dalam BM. For English, it's called as chord. C-H-O-R-D. Okay, in BM, perentas lah. Okay, so guys, do you all still remember there is a formula for chord actually? Ada satu rumus untuk kira panjang perentas. Siapa tahu? There is one formula. Satu rumus. Can cosine rule be used? Can. No problem. Okay, you can also use cosine rule untuk cari PR. Tak ada masalah. Okay, rumus cosinus boleh. Sine rule, let me see. Sine rule cannot. Because you don't have any other angles. You only have this angle. Can you see? Sine rule, you must at least have two angles, guys. Dua sudut. Kat sini ada satu sudut jajah. So you don't have another one. Okay, so that's why, no. You must see when you're applying sine rule, you need this angle. Am I right? You need to see this angle because our triangle here is PQR. Can you see? So you don't have this small one over here. Okay? All right. So now, do you guys know that there is a formula for chord? Kamu semua tahu tak ada satu rumus untuk perentas? Anyone still know what is the formula for chord? Okay, this one is not given in your exam, guys. Rumus ni tidak diberi. There is one formula, satu rumus. Anyone? Think and see. Siapa tahu? Yes. 2r square sin, sedikit salah. Kina. Okay, a bit wrong only. Very close. 2r, yes, correct. Okay, relax, correct. Okay, so it should be 2r sin theta over 2. Okay? Boleh dapat, guys? So, kalau kamu nak cari panjang perentas, boleh guna rumus ni. Okay, you can use this formula to find length of chord. You must know this. Lebih senang. It's easier to solve the question. Half r square sin theta is area of sector, guys. Don't confuse, setengah r square sin theta. Sorry. This one is for triangle, segitiga. Okay, whenever you see sin theta, is for triangle, segitiga. Alright? But now we want to find length. Kita nak cari panjang. This one is about luas. Okay, area. Okay, guys? Understand? So this is the formula. Kena guna rumus ni. Alright? Okay, so what is your R value, guys? Apa nilai R kat sini? For this sector? Yes, correct. Panjang PR, guys. Now we want to find PR. Okay, yes, 8, right? Your jari. Okay, this is your radius. 8. Okay, and then what is your theta, guys? Apa nilai theta? So theta, first question. Theta is in degrees or radian? May I know? Theta ni dalam darjah atau radian? Very good. Remember, guys, degree, ingat, kena dalam darjah. Yes. Okay, remember anything that you have sign in front, the angle must always be degrees. Kalau kamu nampak sign kat depan, selalu sudut dia darjah. Ingat? Okay? Tak boleh radian, Alright. So means that jawapan ni kamu kena tukar ke radian lah. Okay, you just convert it to radian. Guys, okay. Because people still say I'm scared for maths. Guys, can you all tell me one thing? Saja nak cakap lah. Siapa tak takut maths kat sini? Boleh jawab tak? Who is not scared of maths here? Answer? Siapa tak takut NMATS? Jawab. Saya nak nampak bilangan orang. Tell me, who is not scared of NMATS? Don't have, right? Tak ada orang kan? Okay, got one person only. Satu orang saja tak takut. You can be scared but do not be panic. Yes. So guys, don't keep on say you are scared of NMATS. If you keep on scared, what is your action, guys? Kamu kena ambil tindakan kan untuk atasi ketakutan. Apa guna kamu kata selalunya takut NMATS, tapi kamu tak buat apa-apa? Am I right? You must do something. Kena buat sesuatu. Takut, guys, kalau kamu takut, boleh tak kamu dapat markah bagus? Boleh saya tanya? If you guys very scared, can you get good mark? Yes or no? Cannot, right? So why be takut? Kenapa nak takut? Tak perlu fikir pemakan, guys. Pemakan tu benda selepas kamu jawab kertas. You cannot control that. Benda tak boleh kawal, jangan takut. Okay, what you cannot control, don't be scared. Only be scared of what you can control. Kamu boleh kawalkan apa yang kamu boleh jawab esok. Am I right? You can control what you do tomorrow. So make a change. Buat perubahan. Okay? Make a change tonight. Okay, buat perubahan malam ni. Alright? Okay, so come back. Okay, so theta, they ask you in degree, right? Okay, yang ni dalam darjah. So means you need to convert radian to degree. So guys, macam mana kamu tukar radian kepada darjah? Boleh saya tahu? Radian to degree. What is the formula? Cuba jawab. Radian kepada darjah. Yes. Okay, times. Salah lah. Wrong. Radian kepada darjah, guys. Sat. Wait, Yeah. Radian kepada darjah. Yes. Okay, times 180 over pi. Am I right? Kali 100 bagi pi. Jangan tertukar. Don't confuse. Okay, radian to degree always 180 over pi. Okay? Alright, so means that jawapan yang ni 0.8 you need to convert to radian lah. So 0.8 times 180 over pi. Okay, so then kamu gantikan nilai ni lah over here. So you take 0.8 times 180 over pi, you substitute dalam theta kat sini. Okay, you just sub your value over there and then tekan calculator. When you press calculator, you should get this answer lah. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni untuk PR. Okay guys, do you all understand? Boleh faham this question? Clear? For question B? Okay, so for question B, you can see this is the working. Okay, so for the question, they actually use cosine rule, guys. Mereka guna petua cosinus, but if you guys want to use the chord formula also can. Kalau nak guna rumus ni tak ada masalah. Okay, same answer. Jawapan dia sama. So you should get 6.23. Okay guys, clear? Question 1. Boleh dapat soalan 1? Okay, so next question. Okay, so question 2, do you all want me discuss? Yes or no? Chord formula NMATS Putra. Soalan 2 nak bincang tak? Okay, we discuss. Okay, so they say tak boleh bincang semua, guys. Kalau bincang semua tak sempat tau. So I need to choose question, kena pilih. Pilih yang mana kamu rasa betul-betul kamu tak boleh buat. Itu konsep dia hari ni, guys. You only discuss the question that you really cannot do. You guys also cannot stay up lah. Trust me. You need to have a good sleep, guys. Kena ada tidur mencukupi. Letter, yes, got permutation, don't worry. Paper 1 priority. Okay lah. If you guys want, do you want just paper 1 today? Yes or no? Nak kertas 1 saja. Kertas 2 esok lah. Can lah. So paper 2, if tomorrow means in the break time lah. Masa break time kita buat kertas 2. Can? Means that selepas paper 1 kamu semua keluar, then saya ada kelas. Can? Means that maybe 12 to 2 or 1 sampai no, cannot. 11 lah. 11 atau 11.30 kita mula. Okay? Alright. So we just discuss paper 1 lah today. Easier. Tak perlu rush. Okay? Alright. So appointment. Maybe after paper 2, I will come. And see you guys what's the reaction after paper 2. Can? So I still see PFS lah, don't worry. Okay, so this is the equation, guys. Ini persamaan dia. So how are you going to find the P and Q value? Macam mana cari nilai P dan Q? Okay, basically you need to convert this equation lah, guys. So guys, this equation is actually linear or non-linear? May I know? Persamaan ni linear atau bukan linear? Step by step, guys. Yes, non-linear kan? Okay, this one is not linear. Okay, so means that you need to convert to linear lah. Okay, kamu kena tukar jadi persamaan linear. Alright. Okay, so how? Kamu lihat paksi lah. Okay, just see your axis. Log 10 kan? Yes. Okay, you just add log 10. Guys, make sure jangan keluar siapa-siapa dalam link pertama. Kalau keluar nanti tak dapat join balik dah. So you guys better maintain. Okay, so you'll get log 10 2 power x minus 3. Discuss paper 1 Selangor, guys. Hari ni we will do paper 1 only. Kertas 1 Selangor. Okay? Alright, so this is your equation, guys. Ini persamaan. So guys, if you guys see over here, what can I do to this one? Apa saya boleh buat yang ni? Actually tak perlulah, no need. Okay, but I just write over here so that you all can see easier. Kamu boleh faham. Yes, transfer power, right? Okay, you can bring the power down. Okay, so you will get log y equal to 2x minus 3. Am I right? Okay, so what is your gradient, guys? Apa kecerunan kamu kat sini? May I know? What's the gradient? Yes, boleh. Can. Okay, your gradient is 2, right? Yes, this is your gradient. Ini kecerunan. What is your y-intercept? Apa pintasan y? Yes. Okay, this one is your y-intercept. Pintasan y. Okay? Senang lah. Okay, so now you see the question. They want you to find P and Q, right? So guys, P ni titik apa? Boleh saya tahu? What does your P represent? X-intercept or y-intercept? Y-intercept, right? Yes, so that means this is your C value lah. So maksudnya nilai P is equal to your C value. So P equals C. So the answer is negative 3. Understand? Boleh dapat? How I find nilai P? Clear? Okay, so next one. Now you need to find Q, guys. So macam mana cari nilai Q? You have to use the gradient lah. Okay, kena guna kecerunan. Okay, so you take Q. You must take 2 minus P. So 2 minus negative 3 over Q minus 0 sama dengan apa, guys? Yang ni sama dengan apa? Equal to what value? Yes, equal to your gradient lah, which is 2. Okay, kecerunan 2 kan? Kat sini. Okay, so equal to 2. And then you guys just solve for the Q value. Selesaikan. Okay, so you will get Q equal to 5 over 2. Okay, ini nilai Q. Alright? Okay, so this one is your answer. Okay, guys? Boleh? Are you clear this question? So 4 marks. 4 markah. Okay, this topic is the one that you can score, guys. Linear law. Hukum linear sangat senang, guys. 2.5 also can. No problem. Dua-dua soalan ni sangat untung. You guys can score 8 mark easily. Sangat senang. Okay, cannot lose mark here, guys. Very, very senang. Alright? Okay, so next one. Question 3. Okay, so they're asking you, is this a geometric progression or not? Adakah ini janjang geometri atau tidak? Okay, so what is your answer, guys? Yes or no? Okay, so majority say yes. Okay, so yes. Okay, the answer is geometry. Okay, what is your reason, guys? Apa justifikasi kamu? Yes, you find the common ratio. Okay, cari nisbah sepunya. So what is your nisbah sepunya, guys? Kat sini. What is the common ratio that you get? Anyone? What is the common ratio? Yes, P power 4 lah. Okay, you just take P power 12 bahagi P power 8. Okay, so this is your common ratio. T2 bahagi T1. You take the second term, divide first term. Okay, so that's why your answer is P power 4. This is the question. Okay. Oh, you mean bottom here. Okay. So then for question 3, you can answer like this lah, guys. Okay, kamu boleh jawab macam ni. So you can show actually for all the common ratio. Kamu tunjuk untuk semua nisbah dia. R1, R2 and also R3. Okay, kamu kira secara basingan lah. Okay, you just count separately and then you just say that R1 equal R2 equal R3 equal P power 4. Okay, so you say this is a geometric progression because the common ratio is the same. Nisbah janjang, nisbah sepunya mereka sama. Alright? Are you guys clear? Part A? Boleh? So usually these are the common question they will ask lah, sangat biasa. Okay, so next one. Okay, so show question guys. Tunjukkan. So do you all know how to show this? Adakah kamu semua tahu macam mana buktikan yang ni? Yes or no? This one must memorize guys. Kena ingat. Kalau siapa tak ingat lagi buktikan, pergi ingat sekarang. Semua topik. Okay, for those that want to see on the proving, right? Again, my YouTube channel. Okay, so those who want to see the proving chapter, right? Kalau nak lihat soalan buktikan, okay, let me think and see. You guys can go over here. Okay, cuba lihat video yang ni. Okay, wait, I need to scroll down a bit. Sebab saya ada buat buktikan untuk Form 4 dan juga Form 5. Okay, Form 4 proving one video, Form 5 proving also another video. So, semua proving yang kamu kena tahu ada. Okay, you guys can see lah according to topic. Okay, so kamu lihat last year sebenarnya saya buat. Okay, so you can actually see over here. Wait guys, kena scroll bawah sikit sebab 1 tahun dah. Okay, so you guys can see these two video. Boleh nampak tak guys? Dua-dua video ni. Can? So you guys can actually see the proving video over here. Boleh nampak kat sini. Alright? So untuk Form 4 video ni, semua rumus yang kamu kena tahu buktikan Form 4. Boleh wujud kat sini. And then semua rumus nak tahu buktikan Form 5, boleh wujud sini. Senang. Very simple. So you guys can study these two video lah. Total is 3 hours. 3 jam. 1 jam lah guys. Because all the formula that you need to know is in this video. Semua rumus tingkatan 4 ada kat sini. Untuk buktikan. Okay, tapi kamu ada masa lagi, am I right? Ada gap kan? Antara paper 1, paper 2. So kamu belajar yang ni lah. Between paper 1, paper 2, kamu belajar yang ni. Alright? Because paper 2 pun boleh keluar proving. Okay, they can ask you for esok ada kelas. Mungkin antara kertas 1 dan kertas 2 akan ada satu lah. Alright? Saya bincang untuk paper 2. Okay? Okay guys, so how do we prove this formula? Okay, so basically the concept is like this. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, so this is how kita buktikan. Alright, so you first need to write an equation for Sn. Okay, kamu tulis satu persamaan bagi Sn. Okay, so you know Sn is equal to what guys? Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Am I right? Ini adalah rumus kan for Sn. Okay, so that's why you know T1 to A, T2 is AR, T3 is AR square. Sorry, this one is Tn guys. Yang ni Tn. Tn equal AR power n minus 1. You guys understand? Boleh faham rumus ni guys? Do you get it? Untuk yang pertama ni. Dapat tak? So T1 sama dengan A, lepas tu T2 kamu gantikan n equal 2 lah. Okay, just substitute n equal 2, so you will get AR. And then you substitute n equal 3, you get AR square. And then substitute n equal to n, kamu dapat AR power n minus 1. Okay? Understand? Can comment a bit guys, kalau faham. If you guys understand, tell me a bit. Okay? You must really know the step guys. Mesti tahu langkah. Alright? And then the second step, you must times the equation by R. Okay? Kamu kena kali R belah kiri dan belah kanan. Persamaan ni. Okay? Just times by R. So you see A times R, AR. AR times R, AR square. AR square times R, AR cube. Okay? And then AR power n minus 1 times R, AR power n. Okay? Boleh faham guys? This one? Do you guys understand number 2? Boleh faham Can? Okay. So next, you must do 2 minus 1. Maksudnya persamaan kedua tolak persamaan pertama. You just take second minus first equation. Okay, so you will get Rsn minus Sn, Rsn minus Sn, and then you guys just minus all the term lah. Means that AR minus A, AR square minus AR, AR cube minus AR square. Boleh nampak kan? AR cube minus AR square. Okay, simbol tolak. And then after that, Okay, so guys, how do you actually get this? Macam mana kamu dapat yang ni? Okay, basically it comes from here. So you get AR minus A, right? And then you plus AR square minus AR. Okay, so guys, can you all see a pattern over here? Boleh nampak pola tak? Okay, you can actually factorize out the A. Oh, sebab kamu nak cari SN guys. If you want to find SN, kamu kena buktikan yang ni kan, SN. So that's why I take RSN minus SN. So that saya boleh faktorkan SN ni. Faham tak? I want to factorize out SN keluar. So that saya boleh dapat SN. Okay, because I need to prove that SN equal to something. Okay, alright. So this one, for this step, you guys can actually factorize. Okay, faktorkan A keluar and then you guys can see the pattern, right? Ada R kuasa 1 and then R kuasa 2. So means that the R value is changing lah guys. Okay, nilai R tengah berubah. Okay, so means you can actually put R kuasa N. Okay, N is actually for a term that is changing. Alright, simbol N tu adalah untuk sebutan yang kamu nampak dia berubah. Okay, and then mas minus 1 because saya nak dapat tolak A kan kat sini. I want to get minus A. So that's why you actually get AR power N minus 1. Okay, boleh dapat guys how I get this one? Are you clear? So maksudnya kalau kamu dapat step ni, next step kamu boleh terus tulis yang ni. Okay, no need to expand one by one. Remember guys, you don't need to expand one by one. Tak perlu kembangkan satu persatu macam ni. Tak perlu. Okay, bazirkan masa only. Okay, you just direct write this step. Okay, selepas 2 tolak 1, terus tulis yang ni. Okay, and then you can see the formula, right guys? Boleh nampak kan how you guys get the formula? Okay, you just shift the R minus 1 to the right hand side. Okay, pindahkan yang ni ke belah kanan, so you will get this equation. Okay, understand guys? Boleh dapat? Are you all clear how to prove it? Can? Clear? Huh? Boleh guys? Yes or no? Are you clear on it? Can? Boleh. Okay, very good. Okay, so just make sure you remember in your exam. Okay, ingat yang ni masa kamu lihat SPM esok. Okay, because they like to ask proving for this chapter. Dia suka sangat. Janjang. Okay? Alright. Okay, so we come to question 4, soalan keempat. Okay, so this one is on differentiation, pembezaan. Okay, so they say radius of circle increase at a rate 3 cm. So guys, this symbol is dr over dt kan? Okay, dr over dt, you should get 3. Okay, 3. Because they are talking about the rate, kadar. So this one is rate of change, kadar perubahan. Okay, so dr over dt equal 3. And then they ask rate of change of area. Okay, maksudnya kamu kena cari dA over dt. Okay, so this is your question lah, soalan. Okay, equal to what? Okay, and then they say R equal to 2. Jajari kamu 2. Okay, so this is your information. If decrease must add negative, yes, correct. Okay, so let's say soalan tukar lah guys. Dia cakap berkurang dengan kadar 3. Decrease at the rate of 3. So means that you must add negative 3. Okay, faham? Kalau nampak berkurang atau menurun kena tambah negatif, jangan lupa. Very common mistake. Okay, people will forget put negative. So make sure you put negative if decrease. Okay, find dA over dr. Yes, correct. Okay, so now you need to use the chain rule lah guys. Okay, kamu guna petua rantai. Okay, so what is the formula you can think of here guys? Circle, bulatan. So what is the equation? The starting equation. Apa persamaan yang kamu akan mula kat sini? Equation guys. I want equation. Yes. No. It's pi r square guys. Guys, we are talking about area of circle guys. Luas bulatan. So you must put pi r square lah. Okay. So then you just find dA over dr. Okay, so what do you all get? dA over dr. Cuba bezakan guys. And tell me your answer. What is your dA over dr? 2 pi r, yes, correct. Okay, you should get 2 pi r. Okay, so then nilai r, kamu semua ganti dengan apa guys? What do you substitute your r value? Nilai apa? Y over dt. because they are asking you rate of change of area, guys. Kadar perubahan luas. Guys, you must always remember, when you see the word rate, it means over time. Kalau nampak perkataan kadar tu maksudnya bahagi masa. Faham? Selalu ingat yang ni. Kadar tu maksudnya dia melibatkan masa. Okay? Alright. So means kamu just gantikanlah R sama dengan 2. Am I right? You just substitute R equal to, so you will get 4 pi. So guys, can you all tell me what is the chain rule here? Cuba bagi tahu kat saya macam mana petua rantai nampak. So you want to find dA over dt, right? So dA over dt sama dengan apa? Type. So you need to know how to form the chain rule. Kena tahu cara bentuk petua rantai dia. So cuba komen. So anyone? dA over dt equal to what? Jom. Anyone? Come on. dA over dt equal to what? dA over dj times dr over dt. Yes, correct. Okay, so you will have dA over dt equal to, okay, it's this one. Boleh nampak. Okay, so you will have dA over dr times dr over dt. Okay, so then kamu gantikanlah semua nilai. Okay, just substitute all the information, then kamu akan dapat jawapan. Okay, the answer is 12 pi. Okay, boleh faham guys? For question 4a, so you just use dA over dt equal to dA over dr times dr over dt. Alright, so this is the chain rule, petua rantai. Okay, so next question now. Okay, so for question 4b, okay, so they give you this function, inilah fungsi dia, and they want you to find this one. Nak cari yang ni. So guys, if you see 2 dot like this, or 2 apostrophe, kalau kamu nampak simbol ni, apa maksud dia guys? What is the meaning of this symbol? Anyone? Yes, pembezaan peringkat kedua. Am I right? Yes, your second derivative, correct. Okay, so means that you need to do d2y over dx2 lah. Pembezaan peringkat kedua. Alright. And then if you see k prime x, what is the meaning guys? Apa maksud yang ni? Kalau satu simbol saja. Only one prime. Yes. Okay, this one is dy over dx. Okay, pembezaan peringkat pertama. Or first derivative. Okay? Yes. Alright, so you just need to differentiate this equation lah guys. Okay, so can you all tell me first, apa jawapan dia? If you differentiate k prime x one time, bezakan yang ni dan type jawapan. Now is your time to practice your differentiation skill guys. Cuba ulang kaji pembezaan kamu. So if you differentiate one time, dapat apa? So try to give the answer fast guys. You must train your speed in admaths. Kena paksa diri untuk selesaikan dengan cepat. Okay, if you guys don't solve fast, you cannot finish the paper 1. Kamu kena selesaikan dengan cepat. Keyboard payah is okay. As long as you guys exam boleh tulis is enough. Okay, 3mx square minus 4x plus 6. Yes, correct. Okay, so this is your answer, right guys? After pembezaan plus 6. Okay, so then how about k prime prime? Pembezaan peringkat kedua. What do you all get? Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, so now kamu bezakan yang ni pula. Differentiate this one. Yes, very good. 6mx minus 4. Okay, so now guys, what is your x value for this one? Sada. Yang ni. Apa nilai x yang kamu akan gantikan kat sini? Okay, some more people. Lagi orang. Apa nilai x kat sini? What's the x value? Yes. Okay, 1, right? K prime 1. Okay, means that you substitute x equal to 1. Okay, this one. What is your x value, guys? Apa nilai x kat sini? Yes. 2, right? So you just substitute x equal to, and you just equalize the two equation. Okay, samakan dua-dua, and solve for the m value. Okay, selesaikan untuk nilai m. So your answer should get m is equal to 2 over 3. Okay? Senang guys? Is it easy so far? Senang kan? 4 soalan ni. Okay, very easy to score mark. Kamu jawab 4 ni saja guys. You guys already score 18 marks. 18 markah already guys. 4 soalan only. Already 18 mark. Show me again. Which one? The question you see. Okay? Alright. Okay, so we go question 5 Soalan kelima. Okay, so for question 5 is talking on quadratic. Okay, you need to solve quadratic equation if not mistaken. Yes. Okay, kamu kena selesaikan quadratic. Okay, so they say cycle a distance 150 km, average speed x, and then second, yang kedua pula, he increased by 10, and then finish the training 20 minutes earlier compared to the first. Okay, so ada banyak info kat sini. Okay, a lot of information. So basically, you guys just divide it lah. Okay, kamu pisahkan. First session, second session. Okay, so first session, what is the distance guys? Apa jarak dia? First session. Yang pertama tu apa? Okay, yang tu pun boleh lah. But you guys can also senaraikan macam ni. Yes. Okay, jarak dia 150 kan? First session. Okay, and then what is the time guys? Apa masa dia? First session. So first session, kalau kamu baca, tak ada. So maksudnya boleh buat apa? You guys don't see any time. So, what do? You see second session 20 minutes earlier compare first. Bukan. Guys, of course will have time one. Confirm akan ada masa. First session. You see the second session 20 minutes earlier than the first. 20 minit lebih awal berbanding yang pertama. So maksudnya pertama berapa? Anyone? First one guys. Saya nak pertama. Yang ni. Yang tu untuk kedua. Second one. Cannot tak boleh. X minus 20 untuk kedua guys. Sekarang ni saya nak yang pertama. No. Yes. Baguslah. Jawapan dia T guys. Am I right? Kamu tak tahu. So maksudnya kamu bagi unknown lah. Dia adalah satu benda yang kamu tak tahu. You don't know what is the time. So you just give it as unknown lah. T. Okay? Do you guys understand? You cannot use X guys. Tak boleh guna X sebab laju dia ada kata X. Okay, your speed is already X. Okay, so maksudnya laju kamu adalah X. Okay? Understand? So this is all your information. Okay, and then the second one pun jarak kena sama lah. Okay, common sense. Your distance should be the same. And then time, 20 minutes earlier. 20 minit lebih awal, so means that T minus 20. Okay? And then V, your speed, they say increase by 10. Bertambah 10. So X tambah 10. Okay? So this is all your information. So now, kamu kena buat apa? Calculate the average speed. So maksudnya kamu kena cari X lah. Okay, so X equal to what? Kamu kena cari yang ni. Alright? Cannot. Tak boleh. Can. That one boleh. Yang tu boleh. Okay, so you guys know the formula, right? V is equal to S over T. Am I right? Speed equal to distance over time. Laju tu sama dengan jarak bagi masa. So X is equal to 150 over T. Boleh nampak tak guys? Do you all see it? Okay, and then this one also same. Kamu buat benda sama. So X plus 10 equal to distance, jarak dia 150, and then time, masa. Masa is T minus 20. So guys, you have two equation. What can you do? Kamu ada dua persamaan, so what? Simultaneous equation, right? Kamu boleh buat persamaan serentak. So you guys just substitute lah. 150 over T, kamu ganti kat sini. Selesaikan untuk nilai T. You solve for T, you get an answer. And then, kamu boleh cari nilai X. Okay, you substitute T value balik kat sini. Cari nilai X kamu. Find your X. Then you will get the answer for X. Okay? Faham guys? 20 tu tukar jadi jam ke? Wait, let me see. Yes, actually correct. Betul. Okay, over here you guys must convert to hours. Yes. Okay, means that 20 bagi 60. Okay, why? because our speed is actually in kilometer per hour. Kena tengok unit juga guys. If you see the unit wrongly, sometimes you will get wrong. So kena bagi 60. Okay, thank you. 1/3, yes, correct. Okay, so means that T minus 1/3 lah. Okay, so now boleh dah. You will get the answer. Okay, so this one kamu tukar T minus 1/3. Okay, kat sini Sat. Yeah. So you should get 1/3. Okay, faham guys? Do you understand? Okay, so when you solve, you guys should get this answer. So you see lah, mereka buat persamaan serentak. Okay, simultaneous equation. And then you must use quadratic formula here guys. Sebab kamu tak boleh faktorkan persamaan ni. You cannot factorize. So you must use quadratic formula. Okay, so you just substitute all the info in the formula lah. Okay, ganti semua info dalam rumus. Okay, press calculator. You will get the answer. Okay, 62.27. Okay, are you guys clear? This question? Boleh dapat? How to solve it? Can rumus itu diberi ke? Yes, the formula is given guys. You can see over here. Tengok. Semua rumus yang diberi. Nombor 1 guys. Number 1 is your quadratic formula. They give you. Okay. In what condition we can't factorize? This condition lah. You just need to see calculator guys. Kamu kena cuba saja. You just press calculator, ABC value. If you get decimal, dapat perpuluhan yang tak ada pecahan, so mean that you cannot factorize lah. Tak boleh faktorkan. If you guys cannot get fraction or whole number. Okay. Can I not show negative? Can. You can write and then you say reject. Over here, kamu akan dapat negative answer also, right guys? So you just write the negative answer and then in the bracket you write reject lah. Kamu ditolak. Tulis ditolak kalau ada jawapan negatif. Okay? Can? So this is question 5A. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so next one is question 5B. Okay, so for question 5B is this one. Alright. So they say alpha, beta are the roots for this quadratic equation, punca. And now they want you to form a new equation. Okay, this is a very common question. Soalan yang biasa. Alright. Okay, so first step, you must find your SOR. So guys, can you all tell me what is your SOR here? Apa nilai dia for the first equation? SOR? Bagi tahu saya. SOR ataupun HTP lah dalam BM. Hasil tambah punca. Yes. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, bagi tahu jawapan terus guys for this equation. Okay, so you should get A. Are you sure negative? Yeah, you should get 3 guys. 3. Because negative 6/2. So that's why the answer is 3. Okay? Okay, so what is your POR guys? Hasil darab punca for the first equation. Okay, yes. You will get 9/2, right? 9 bagi 2, yes. So 4.5. Okay? Correct. Okay, so now you need to form for the new equation. Okay, so alpha plus beta is actually equal to what guys? May I know? Alpha tambah beta ni nilai dia apa? Based on my information. Sama dengan apa? Yes, equal to 3, right? Okay, because this one is your sum of roots. Hasil tambah punca. And then for alpha beta, what is your answer? 9/2, right? 9/2. So these are your two information, guys. Okay? Can I write decimal for quadratic? You mean decimal as final answer, is it? As your final answer for X. Oh, you mean inside the... usually for quadratic, we won't have decimal, guys. Usually quadratic, it'll be a whole number. Okay? Your equation here usually is a whole number. Or you will have fraction, the most. Okay? Tapi dia nak A plus 2. Yes, yes. Saya belum terangkan lagi, Putra. Sabar. Okay, so now you need to find for the new roots, guys. Okay? Punca baru. Okay, so first step, you do SOR lah. Okay, so hasil tambah punca. So you just plus the 2. Okay, so guys, alpha plus beta, you got answer, right? 3 kan? So gantikan lah. alpha plus beta 3, and then plus 2, plus 2. So jawapan dapat 7 lah, 7. Okay, and then for POR, hasil darab punca, you must do the expansion for quadratic. So alpha plus 2, beta plus 2. Okay, so you guys know how to expand, right? Tahu kembangkan kan? You should get alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. Okay, so now guys, macam mana saya nak gantikan nilai alpha tambah beta kat sini? Siapa tahu? How do I substitute my alpha plus beta? Okay, alpha beta I can substitute. My value is 9 over 2, right? So gantikan. And then, yes, you need to factorize the two, guys. Faktorkan yang nombor serupa. Okay, so when you factorize, you will get something like this. Okay? Then only kamu gantikan. Alright, so alpha plus beta, you substitute with 3. Okay, so now you press calculator lah, guys. Okay, so let's see. What's the answer? Okay, so 9 over 2 plus 2, 3 plus 4. Okay, so your answer should get 29 over 2. 29 bagi 2. Okay, so now, what is your equation, guys? To form the new equation, apa persamaan dia? Kalau nak bentuk persamaan baru, cuba type. There is one equation. So anyone still remember? No. There is a special equation when you want to form a new quadratic equation with the roots like this. Yes. Okay, x square minus SORx plus POR equals 0. Okay, do you all still remember, guys? Masih ingat persamaan ni? X square minus SORx plus POR equals 0. Okay, so just gantikan nilai lah. Okay, just substitute all the value. Okay, so SOR equal to 7 and then POR equal to 29 over 2. Okay, so then kamu selesaikan, you will get this one. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, usually we don't want fraction as our answer, guys. Okay, because kalau kamu terus gantikan, right, you will get x square minus 7x plus 29 over 2 equal to 0. So guys, do we leave our answer like this in AdMaths? Yes or no? Adakah kita tinggal jawapan macam ni bila jawab soalan? Yes or no? Can we write like this or not? Our answer. Jawapan talih dalam pecahan, yes. Okay, kamu kena hilangkan pecahan. Correct. Okay, so means that you just times 2 to all the variable lah. Kamu darab 2 pada semua pemboleh ubah. Alright. So that's why jawapan dia 2x square minus 14x plus 29 equal to 0. Okay. Understand, guys? Question 5. Boleh faham? Soalan kelima tu. Can So confidence score. Question 5. Should be confident lah. Okay, you will score 7 mark. Okay, 7 markah. Alright. Okay, so now we come to vector, guys. Soalan vector. Okay, so first question is a fact question. Soalan fakta, yes. We are discussing paper 1 today. Okay, since paper 1 is early tomorrow. No, I don't have. Guys, to be honest lah, AdMaths analysis penting ke tak, guys? Boleh saya tahu? Secara jujur lah. Is it very useful to you? Adakah dia berguna sangat? No, right? Because all the topic will come out. Am I right? Semua topik akan keluar. So, apa guna dia? It's just how they ask the question only is important. Cara dia tanya soalan saja berbeza. But the topic semua akan keluar. So, apa guna kalau kamu ada analisis for AdMaths? Tak bantu apa-apa pun. The most important is your skill to answer the question. Skill tu yang paling penting. AdMaths terlalu di luar Nurul. Terlalu di luar semua orang juga. Okay, so now they ask you for this question. Is it scalar or vector quantity, guys? May I know? Density, ketumpatan. Scalar or vector? You guys learn in physics, right? Physics exam tengah datang kan, guys? So ini adalah soalan untuk kamu. Is it scalar quantity or vector quantity? Density, ketumpatan. Yes, scalar, right? Okay, so what is the reason? Apa sebab dia? Very good. Has magnitude but no direction, correct. YouTube saya, guys. For those want the recording, you can see the YouTube. Wait, sorry, why I saw alpha, oh, wait, let me go up. Okay, can you see this one? Because alpha plus beta, the value is 3. So I substitute alpha plus beta is 3. And then plus 2 plus 2. So that's why the answer is 7 lah. Because I need to plus these two roots, SOR. Understand not? So it's actually alpha plus beta plus 4. Okay? Alright, so yeah. Okay, so we continue, guys. Alright, so how you write your answer? You can say scalar quantity because density only has magnitude. Okay, ketumpatan hanya ada magnitude saja. So this is how you can answer. Alright? Okay, so next one. So for question B1, they ask you to express OC in terms of MPQ. Okay, so macam mana? How do you express your OC? Okay, so for OA, you first label lah guys. Vector question, right? If come out in paper 1, you just straight away label your diagram. Terus label dengan apa info yang kamu ada. So that is easier. Okay, so you just label. And then ADDB 2 to 3. Okay, is okay, settle. Okay, so now they ask you express OC. Okay, so macam mana cari OC guys? May I know? You need to think of the combination of vector. So you can actually see this, right? Boleh nampak yang ni kan? OD is equal to NOC. Okay, tapi adakah kita pilih yang ni guys? Do we choose this information to answer this question? Yes or no? You see common sense lah guys. No, right? Okay, betul. Okay, because you see mereka nak M, but this question got N. So yang ni tak boleh lah. Okay, this information tak boleh guna. So means that kamu guna yang ni lah. Okay, AC equal to MOB. So OB ada AC. Okay, so AC equal to what guys? May I know? Macam mana kamu cerakinkan yang AC? How do you break it down? Your AC. So AC equal to what? You guys think and see. Apa kombinasi vektor dia for AC? Kita takkan guna lambda guys. We won't use lambda. Because this one we just express OC. Kita hanya ungkapkan saja. Bukan lagi soalan collinear. Okay? So AC sama dengan apa guys? May I know? Yes. AO tambah OC kan? Yes. That's the answer. Okay, AO tambah OC. Are you clear? Boleh dapat tak? Why I choose this one? Because question asked to find OC. Kamu kena cari OC kan? So that's why I choose this one. Saya pilih yang ni. Alright? Are you guys clear? Boleh dapat? So this is the concept. Okay, so AO will equal to negative OA. So mean that negative 5P. Alright? So then kamu boleh carilah. You can find your answer already. Okay, so you will get OC equal to 5P plus 10MQ. Okay, just make sure you expand your answer lah guys. Okay, kamu kena kembangkan M. Okay, so M times OB, you will get 10MQ. Okay, and then minus berapa? Minus negative 5P. So plus 5P. Boleh dapat guys? Are you all clear? So that's why your answer is 10MQ plus 5P. Okay? I think I missed the first question. Which first question? This one, the part A. Oh, vector is you have direction. You have direction. That is vector quantity. Okay? So density don't have direction lah. So that's why it's scalar. All right. How do you get 10MQ? Because OB is 10Q, right? So 10Q times M, MOB. So 10MQ lah. Okay? You just follow the question, ikut soalan saja. Okay, MOB. So that's why 10MQ. Alright? Okay, next one. They ask you to express OC in terms of NPQ. So guys, if you want NPQ, means that kamu kena guna yang ni lah. Okay, because you see you have N. And then question also asks N. So kamu guna yang ni. Alright? So OD. Okay, so you need to find OD. So OD start. Okay. So OD you can actually break down guys. So OD sama dengan apa? May I know? What is your combination? Scroll up a bit. Okay, I think I scroll up buddy. OBBD. Can? Boleh? Or you can say OAAD also can? Boleh? Yes. Okay, you can say OA plus AD. Okay, so first step you need to find AB lah guys. So AB, apa kamu dapat? May I know? What is your AB vector? Kamu buat kombinasi lah guys. AB is equal to AO plus OB. So mean that negative 5P plus 10Q. This is your AB. Okay? So plus 10Q. Alright. So now you want to find AD, right? So AD adalah 2 over total ratio. Jumlah nisbah. So 2 over 5 times AB. So it's 2 over 5 times negative 5P plus 10Q. This is your AD. Okay, so AD you will get 2 over 5 times negative 5P. So negative 2P. And then 2 over 5 times 10Q. So plus 4Q. Okay, this is your AD lah. Alright. Okay, so now kamu ada AD. So you can find OD, right? So OD is equal to OA 5P plus AD. So tambah jawapan ni. So you will get 3P plus 4Q. Okay, how to get that? Which one guys? Which one? Yang mana? AD ya. Adakah? Oh, AD. AD you are taking 2 over 5 of AB. Boleh faham? Okay, because AD tu nisbah dia 2 kan? Based on the question. AD 2 ratio. So that's why I take 2 divide total ratio. Total ratio is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. So that's why 2 over 5 of the total vector AB. Okay? Faham? So this is how you can get the answer. Alright? Okay, so now your OA plus AD, you just plus these two, so you will get 3P plus 4Q lah. So 3P plus 4Q equal to NOC. Okay, so then kamu boleh cari OC lah. Am I right? So your OC will get 3 over NP plus 4 over NQ. Alright? Boleh dapat guys the answer? Are you clear for part 2? Can Boleh? Boleh ya guys? Can? Alright. Okay, so now they ask you to solve simultaneous guys. Kamu kena cari nilai M and N. Okay, so how to find M and N? Your answer in part 1 equal to your answer in part 2 lah. Okay, bagi dua-dua jawapan sama. Why? Because dua-dua pun adalah berkaitan OC. Am I right? Question 1 OC, question 2 also OC. So means that you equalize both answer lah for part 3. Then you can find the nilai M and N. Which part you blur? May I know? Okay, so when you equalize, part 2. Okay, wait part 2. So you want to find OC in term of N, right? So you know why you use this information, right? Because you see the letter N. Okay, then you need to express OD lah, because you want to find OC, right? So you can only change OD. So OD is equal to what? OA plus AD. Am I right? Okay, and then OA, question give you 5P, and then AD is 2 over 5 AB lah. 2 over total ratio 5 AB. So then AB, you got it from AO plus OB. So AO negative 5P, OB 10Q. So AB is actually negative 5P plus 10Q. So it's 2 over 5 times negative 5P plus 10Q. So that's why your answer is this one. Okay? Can? So this is part 2. Alright? Okay, so for part 3, you just equalize your two answer lah guys. Okay, samakan dua-dua. Okay, so you actually just need to compare the coefficient. Okay, so can you see the coefficient? So 5 is equal to 3 over n and 10m equal to 4 over n. Okay, just compare the coefficient of P and Q. Okay, bandingkan perkali vektor P dan Q. So you will get these two equation and then you solve lah. Selesaikan for nilai M and N. Alright, are you guys clear? Question 6. Boleh? Everyone here? My AdMaths warriors, are you all clear? Show me number 2 again. Okay, number 2 wait. You mean show the question, right? You want to see the question? Okay. So this one. If you guys still got friends want to join, you can continue share the link, guys. Boleh kongsi link kat kawan-kawan juga. For those that want to study paper 1. Okay, boleh bincang soalan trial with me. Okay? Alright. So continue. Okay, so question 7, guys. Alright. So question 7 is on your circular measure. They already give up. As long as you guys don't give up, it's okay. You guys never give up yet. Am I right? Kamu semua tak putus asa lagi kan? All the 73 people with me. Make sure you guys strong, fighting. Okay? Alright, so question 7. So you want to find the area of uncolored region. Luas kawasan tidak berwarna. So means that you want to find ADC, AFB, and also CEB. This one not Bermuda Triangle, quantum Bermuda Triangle. Oh, because you see the radioactive symbol, guys. That's why you think of quantum physics. Am I right? Correct lah. Okay, this is quantum physics. No, selagi tak masuk Dewan masih ada masa. Yes, correct. Okay, so we see question 7. So this is the type of K-bar lah for circular measure, guys. Okay, so how do we actually find it? Okay, so you need to modify your diagram. Okay, kamu kena ubah raja. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is, I'm going to assume this as a center of my circle. Inilah pusat bulatan, and I will divide my triangle like this. Okay, can you guys see the concept? Boleh nampak kan? So you see there are actually 3 congruent sector. Congruent maksud apa, guys? Apa maksud congruent? This is an important keyword. Can you see, Bowen, the sector? I shade for you. Hey, sorry. Must use different color. Okay, so can you see this? This one is one sector. Boleh nampak tak, guys? That's why I divide like that. This one sector. Yes, you must draw yourself. Yes, same shape and same size, right? Correct. Okay, that is congruent. Okay, so first step, guys. Your angle, sudut. Okay, so may I know this angle, and this angle? What is the value, guys? Apa nilai dia? Okay, correct. You can say this one is 360 divide 3, betul. So this one is 120, 120. Ayo, the symbol so susah lah. They put the radioactive symbol there, cannot see anything. Okay, this one 120, this one 120. All right? Yes. And then you take 180 minus 120 bahagi 2. Okay, can you see that this is an isosceles triangle, guys? Like A, let's say I call this point O lah. Titik tengah is O. So buat simbol lah. Yes. Okay, titik tengah ni O lah. Okay, so AOB, COB, and also AOB. All these are isosceles triangle, right, guys? Segitiga kaki sama. Okay, so that's why you can take 180 minus 120 divide by 2. So means that this angle is 30. This angle is also 30. Semua 30 lah. So means that ACB, the total angle is 60 lah. 60. So can you see how I label, guys? Boleh dapat tak? How I get all this angle? So this is how you analyze. Okay, now you can find this, right, guys? Okay, so this region over here, what do we call it, guys? Apa nama untuk yang ni? Sekarang sangat senang dah. Very simple tadi. So anyone? ADC? Yes, segment lah. So the concept is area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, kamu ambil sector. Okay, start. I lukis salah. Okay, so you take sector minus triangle. Faham tak, guys? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Lepas tu kena buat apa, guys? What should I do next? Kena darab berapa? How many you must times? 3, right? Yes. Darab 3 sebab ada 3 segment. That's all. This is the concept. Okay? So then you guys just use the formula lah. So area of sector half R square theta. Area of triangle half AB sin C. Okay, so then kamu semua ada nilai. Okay, and then they tell you the radius is 12. Okay, so means that 12 lah for the sector. Okay, so you can see the working over here. Alright, so boleh faham, guys? So this is area of sector. This is area of triangle. Luas segitiga, luas sector. Okay, faham? So your final answer should get 39.09. Okay, clear this question, guys? So for circular measure, please be prepared If you guys see a kebat question tomorrow, hati-hati. Circular measure dia boleh keluar kebat. So like this kind of question lah guys. Yang ni kebat tau. This is a kebat question. So don't panic when you see this kind of question in exam. Jangan panic. What you need to do is just modify the diagram. Like what I did just now. Ubah saja. Okay, like how I ubah is, I just take 3 lines and bahagi segitiga dia. I do like this. Okay, jawapan yang ni. Is there any formula for segment? Yes. Segment is equal to sector minus triangle. That's all you need to remember. Okay, so sector is half r square theta, right? Your sector. And then triangle, half r square sine theta. Am I right? So this is the formula for segment lah guys. Boleh? Kalau nak cari luas tempering, guna rumus yang ni. Okay? So you can actually simplify it. So it's half r square theta minus sine theta. So you choose lah which one you guys want to remember. Okay, kamu boleh ingat yang ni, luas tempering. Okay? Why use 60 but not 120? Wait, let me see. Why 60 but not 120? Hey, good point, Wait, guys. Let me see. Why they use 60? I feel like the answer is wrong code. This one should be 120 lah, guys. Wait, let me check and see. Pi over 3. Oh, yeah. This one is 60 darjah. Yeah, I think it should be 120, guys. 120. Okay, because this one is 120. Am I right? Because 360, one whole circle, and then bahagi 3. So should be 120. Yeah, 60 is wrong. 60 salah. So you should actually take 120 times 100 times pi over 180. So this one should be 2.094, guys. Tukar schema, guys. Change the answer scheme. Okay, this one should be sine 120. Okay, take note lah, guys. Kat sini ada kesilapan. Thank you, Sharon, for telling me. Tukar, guys. Okay, I think there is an error. Okay, guys. Boleh faham kan? Kenapa saya guna 120? Okay, because total 360, so bahagi 3. So that's why the angle over here is 120. So 120. Can you show me 6-2 final answer? 6-2. This one. Okay? Alright. Okay, so clear, guys? Question 7. Boleh faham soalan ni? Are you all clear? So prepare if tomorrow keluar kebat question for circular measure, make sure you know how to do. Kena tahu macam mana buat. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question 8 is about, just now only got people ask me this question. I still remember. Ada orang tanya yang ni. If I use n minus 2 times 180 over n, tak boleh. That one is for regular hexagon, regular pentagon, something like that. Understand, Shifa? Kat sini tak ada apa-apa yang sekata. Tak ada apa-apa polygon sekata. Okay, so tak boleh guna. Alright? Okay, so number 8. Hope it won't be like last year's circular measure. Yang ni kena tukar, guys. You must change the final answer. Okay, you press calculator lah, guys. Gantikan with 2.094. So times 12 square and then divide 2 times, let me see, 72 times sine 60. Okay, wait. Wait, guys, because I need to count again. 12 square divide 2 times 2.094. If anyone got the answer, please share. Minus 72 times sine 60 and then times 3. Okay, so the answer you should get is 265.24. Okay, this is the correct answer, guys. Jawapan betul for question 7. 62 sudut segitiga tu. I think that is the reason why the schema answer 60. Oh, wait, did the schema use different step? Okay, wait, let me analyze. Okay. Jari dia sama cos segitiga sama kaki, yes? Correct? Yang ni 60 kan? 60, 60, 60. Betul? Am I right? And then this one 12. big bracket and small bracket. How to press two bracket in calculator? Oh, you can actually press one by one. No need to do everything one shot. Like this one, right, guys? Kamu tekan yang ni dulu, and then you tekan yang ni. Step by step. No need to press one shot. You do step by step one. Okay, means that you do tekan yang ni dulu, this part, and then you tekan this one, and then you minus both answer, then only times 3. Okay? Okay, so what people say, jari dia sama, cos segitiga kaki sama. Wait, did the answer scheme use different method? Half times 12 square times 1.047. But I feel like they use my method lah, guys. Saya rasa mereka guna kaedah saya saja. Mereka fokus yang ni sector kan? This one. So they take sector minus segitiga. This triangle. Is OA equal to AB? OA, bukanlah. OA dan AB berbeza lah. Is different. Okay? Is different length one. OA, OC, OB sama panjang. Alright? AB, AC, CB sama panjang. Boleh faham tak? Understand? Because this is equilateral triangle. Segitiga, CC sama. Alright? ACB. And then your AOB, AOC dan COB segitiga kaki sama. Isosceles. Okay guys? Clear? Boleh ya? Are you guys okay with it? So we go question 8. AB is like parentas. Yeah, that's why I think the scheme is wrong. Yes, AB is parentas. Correct. Alright? Okay, so we go question 8 guys. Alright. So now they ask you equation of straight line that pass through point A and midpoint BC. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena cari titik tengah lah guys. You must find the midpoint of BC. Okay, so you just find the midpoint. So can anyone tell me what is your answer that you get for midpoint? Apa titik tengah dia? Cepat. Just use these two coordinate. Senang saja. Yes. Are you sure 2? 3 is correct. The 2 is wrong. So you take 6 plus 2, divide 2. So your answer should be 4, right? So you should get 3, 4. Okay? So means that you must find the gradient lah guys. Okay, cari kecerunan for point A and also 3, 4. Okay, so for point A is 1, 1. So kecerunan 4 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is what guys? You should get 3 over 2 lah. Kecerunan. And then you want to form straight line. So you just choose this point lah. Pilih titik ni. Then you can use the concept y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. Okay? Boleh dapat guys? Are you clear how to form the equation? Can? Midpoint also can. Yes, you can use this point also. You can substitute 3, 4 also can. Can you see here? Over here they substitute 3 and 4. Okay? Can so final answer still the same guys. Kamu ganti titik mana pun is okay. You will still get this answer. Alright? Okay, so next one. So next they ask you area of triangle ABC. Luas segitiga. So basically you just use all the coordinate lah. Half, modulus, 1, 1, 2, 6, 4, 2, and also 1, 1. Yes, just use shoelace method. Okay, kaedah ikat tali kasut. Alright, so you will get this answer. Okay, clear guys? Question B. You guys know right how to do shoelace method. Tahu kan macam mana kaedah yang ni? Kamu silang saja. Dari atas ke bawah, lepas tu tolak bawah kepada atas. Alright? So that's the concept. Okay, next one. They ask you for locus. So they say P is equidistant from A and C. So means the equation is PA equal to PC. Betul? Inilah persamaan dia. So now, you must use the distance formula lah. Rumus jarak. Okay, so you can use all the coordinate P, A, C. So you just substitute in your distance formula. Okay, so this one is your distance. Wait, okay. So this one is your distance formula. So gantikan saja. Okay, and then you square both sides to remove the square root. Okay, kuasa dua belah persamaan untuk hilangkan punca kuasa. perlu back to origin ke? Yes, you must back to the original point. So your formula is half modulus 112642 and make sure you end back with 11. Kena akhir dan mula dengan titik sama. Faham? You guys can see, right? You start with the same coordinate and you also end with the same coordinate. Okay? Clear? Boleh ya? So for question C, your answer should get like this lah for locus equation. Okay? Boleh dapat guys? For question 8, are you all clear? Alright. So next one. Okay, so for question 9 is on your permutation and combination. Okay guys, pilih atau gabungan, come on. Who don't like this topic? Siapa lagi tak suka bab ni? Okay, make sure you guys answer in the exam. Jangan tinggal kosong. Don't leave blank in your exam. Tomorrow confirm keluar one question guys. Permutation combination esok. Paper 1 they like a lot. Suka. So if you guys memang cannot solve, you solve the other question first, then you come back to this question. Okay? This is the tips I can give you. Kamu selesaikan semua soalan dulu baru tengok yang ni. Okay? So that you have time lah. Kalau kamu ada masa. Can briefly repeat 8A. Wait, 8A. 8A basically you just need to find the gradient first of the straight line. Okay? You find the gradient of point A and midpoint BC. Okay, midpoint BC is 3, 4, right? You understand this, right? How to get 3, 4. You just take 2 plus 4 over 2, 6 plus 2 over 2. Okay? Midpoint formula. And then you find the gradient of 3, 4 and 1, 1. So this is your gradient. Okay? And then you must just form the equation lah. So how to form equation? You must have gradient. You must have a coordinate that you can substitute. So it's point A or midpoint BC. So you just choose either 1, 1 or 3, 4 to substitute in your equation. Okay? So your answer should get something like this. So you can see the step here. Okay? Are you clear? Okay. All right. Next one. So question 9. Okay. So we come to permutation. Pilih atau. Okay. So they ask you find the number of even number. Okay. So keyword guys, even number. Okay. So tell me, nombor genap. What number you will end with? Kamu akan akhir dengan nombor apa? You see over here. You only have 4 numbers guys. 4 saja. So very simple. So the end number, yang akhir kena apa? Yes, only 4, right? If you want it to be even, hanya boleh nombor 4 ke belakang. Okay, and then they say with all the digit except for appearing twice. Okay, means that 3, 5, 7 boleh ulang 2 kali. You can times 2 for each of the number. Okay, 4 can only appear once lah. Alright, so means that the rest of the number you can try to think and see lah guys. Okay, you listen how I do the question. Then you'll understand. Okay, so now you got 3 number, right? 3 digit. Okay, so you all see over here. So they say that the number repeats twice, right guys? Okay. Setiap nombor ni ulang 2 kali. Maksudnya, mereka adalah objek serupa. Am I right? They are identical, right? So you see here got total 6, right? 6 number in total. Now we focus this space. So you have 6 factorial because you can arrange all the numbers randomly. Okay, kamu boleh susun dia secara bawah ketiga-tiga nombor ni. And then you have 2 same numbers. 2 nombor yang serupa. Okay, so that's why you have 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Boleh? Because setiap nombor ni ada 2 kali. So they are repeating objects or identical object. Okay, that's why you need to divide. Kena bahagi yang serupa. Okay? Yes, semacam, sorry. Object semacam. Okay? Got mention arrangement. Yes, correct. Permutation, you will see the word arrangement. Or whenever you see this kind of question like digits, angka-angka selalunya pilih atau. Okay? Why 6 factorial? Because, can you see that each number got 2 times? 3, digit 3, kamu ada 2 nombor 3. Nombor 5 ada 2. Nombor 7 ada 2. So total 6 lah. And these numbers you can arrange anywhere, right? Boleh susun ketiga-tiga ni secara lawak. Am I right? You can arrange all these 3 number randomly. So that's why factorial. Understand? Factorial ni maksudnya random. That's all. You must understand this. You can arrange it random. Means that it's not fixed. Tak tetap. Okay? So that means for 4 is 1p1. For 4, yes, correct. For 4 is just like times 1 lah. Okay, because it's a fixed number. Dia tak boleh berubah. So that's why kali 1 sajalah. Okay, actually you no need to write this also. Tak perlu tulis yang ni. Because no effect. Tak ada apa-apa kesan. Alright? So that's why you can see over here, they write this one as your first step. Ini langkah pertama lah. So basically this is your answer lah guys. Understand? Kamu dah selesaikan soalan A. Are you clear? The step? So you only need to consider one case lah. That's all. You already get the answer. Okay? Alright. Next one. Okay, so now they ask you find the number of triangles that can be formed. Cari bilangan segitiga. Okay, so for question B, right guys, is this combination or permutation? May I know? Soalan B ni gabungan atau pilih atau? You want to form triangle now? Yes. Remember when they always give you these lines, right? It's always combination one. Kamu ada nak garis macam ni selalu gabungan. Okay? You must see the type of question. Okay? Alright, so they say that 3 points lie on L1, 3 points L2, 4 point L3. Okay, so means that you got 3 here, and also 4 here. And you want to form a polygon. Okay, so now triangle. Triangle got how many vertices, guys? Common sense. Berapa jumlah vertex? Segitiga. Common sense, guys. 3, right? So you think and see lah. How can you form the triangle, guys? You can form triangle like this, right? Means you got 2 vertices here, 2. You can have 1 here. Am I right? This is the first case lah. Case pertama. Okay, second case, you can also form the triangle like this, right? Segitiga boleh jadi macam ni kan? Means that you got 1 vertices here and 2 vertices here. So 1 kat sini, 2 kat sini. Okay, so we go case by case lah guys. Okay, because got many case. So you see the first one. Okay, so first case basically, you got 3 dots. You choose 2 lah. 3C2. And then times, here you got 3 dots also, 3 titik. And then you choose 1. Understand? For this triangle, guys. Boleh faham? How are the number of ways? Can you all see it? So this is the first method lah. And then second method, let's say I inverse my triangle. Saya terbalikkan. So terbalikkan macam ni, right? So mean that over here got 2. So actually it's still the same thing. 3C2 times 3C1. Because here I use 1 dot. So actually you just add these 2 lah. Tambah 2. Okay, you press calculator. Okay, but is this the only answer? Adakah ini jawapan dia saja? Okay, so you need to check and see. Okay, so if you see, right? Wait, let me see whether I interpret correctly. It's given that 3 point in the points for. Oh, okay. Okay, I read the question wrongly. Guys, you must use all the line, guys. Sorry. Kamu kena guna semua garis. Okay, so means this concept cannot. Because I only use L1, L2. Okay? Mereka kata dari setiap garis. Okay, so now I understand. So you need to form a triangle using all the lines. Okay, so now it's simple already. So guys, if you have to use all the lines, means that you can only have 1 vertices on each line lah. Hanya boleh ada 1 vertex. Macam ni. You all understand? So this one is 3C1. This one also 3C1. And this one is 4C1 lah. Boleh faham guys? So you just times all this value. Darab semua. Okay, so then you will get the answer. Okay? Boleh faham? So the answer is 3C1 times 3C1 times 4C1. So the jawapan is 36. Okay, actually overthink. B1 is actually very simple. Okay? Because you need to use all the line. Kena guna semua. Okay? So your answer is actually 36. Alright? Okay, so we see the second part. So second part, they're asking you on quadrilateral. Segi 4. So if you have quadrilateral, may I know how many vertices, guys? Berapa vertex for segi 4? 4, right? Okay, so now you need to think and see a bit lah, guys. Okay, akan ada banyak case. Okay, so this one, they say got 3 points, 3 points, 4 points. Okay, so maybe my quadrilateral can be 2 here, 1 here, 1 here. Am I right? This is 1 quadrilateral. Boleh? So first case, You just write out separately lah guys. Tulis bahasingan. Okay, so you will have 3C1 and then times 3C1 times 4C2. Wait it lag a bit. Wait guys. Okay, so times 3C1 times 4C2. Okay, inilah case pertama. Alright, and then second case, what is the second case? Okay, you can think and see what other cases I can have. Okay, now let's say saya nak lukis quadrilateral macam ni. Okay, let's say I put 2 points here. Saya nak 2 titik kat sini. So I can draw quadrilateral like this also, right? So second case, 3C2 because you got 2 titik L1. So 3C2 times 3C1 times 4C1. Can you all guys see? Understand guys? So far. Boleh faham tak? So basically I'm just moving the points only. Saya gerak saja titik. So first I put 2 points over here. Second I put 2 points over here. So third I put 2 points over here lah. Just move the points. Gerak saja. Okay, so means that over here will become only 1 point. And then now here pula 2 point. So can you see guys? This is also a quadrilateral. Okay. So same concept. 3C1 times 3C2 times 4C1. Okay? Boleh faham guys? So total you have 3 case lah. And then you just add up all this answer. Tambah semua. Bila je kita kena put 2 dotted? Yes, kamu boleh put 2 dotted kat L2, L3 ataupun L1. So that's why kamu ada 3 case. Faham? So that's why your answer is like this guys. Okay? Are you all clear with the question? Can? So your answer should get 126 lah. 126. Okay? Can we just times 2 the second combination? Wait. Yes. Yes. Okay, this one right guys. This one nombor 1 let's say. This one nombor 2. Okay, you can actually times these 2 by 2 because they are the same value. Dua-dua ni nilai sama kan? 3C2, 3C2, 3C1, 3C1, 4C1, 4C1. So you just take 1 kali 2. Enough. No need to count separate because it's the same thing. Okay? Yang ni berbeza lah. Okay, this one is a different one. Okay? Clear? For this question guys. So permutation combination hard or not guys? Susah ke tak? Tak susah kan? Actually if you guys think right, you can score 1. Boleh dapat markah. Total 7 mark. It's not that hard. Tak susah guys. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question 10. Soalan ke-10. Okay, going to end already. Okay, so this one. Integration. Pengambilan. Okay, so they are telling you find half fx dx. Alright? Okay. So basically, right guys, when you have a fraction or a constant, kalau kamu nampak pemalas kan, apa kamu boleh buat guys? May I know? What can you do when you have a constant like half based on integration law? Kamu belajar hukum kan? Nope. What can you do to this one? Yes, bring forward guys. Bring it out, correct. Bawa dia keluar macam ni. Easier. So you left with 2 negative 1 fx dx. Can you see guys? Now it's more simpler my integration. Okay, so fx dx. You see guys? Kamu bezakan yang ni, you get fx. So if you integrate fx, what do you get guys? Kamu dapat yang ni balik kan? So means that the integration of fx, yes, you just sub that equation only. The integration of fx is actually 2 over x plus 5 minus 3. Okay? Boleh dapat guys? Are you clear with the concept? Then you just substitute your upper and lower limit lah. Gantikan had atas, had bawah. Okay, so you substitute 2 and then you substitute negative 1. Then you press calculator lah. You will get the answer. Okay, so final answer is negative 3 over 28. Okay? Clear guys? Soalan 10. Any problems? Senang kan? Very simple. Okay, next one. Question 11. Soalan 11. Okay, so for question 11 is on differentiation. Okay, so they ask you find the coordinate of stationary point. So guys, stationary point, titik pegun apa anggapan? What's the assumption? Very good, Bowen. Okay, dy over dx equals 0. Okay, means that you just differentiate this equation, guys. Okay, so you see this equation. What do you do? Slowly. You see A first. So boleh guna apa guys untuk bezakan persamaan ni? Apa tu? Hukum apa? You can use what rule? Product rule, quotient rule. Mana satu? Yes. Okay, you can use the quotient rule. Okay, petua hasil bagi because you see fraction. Am I right? It's okay. Okay, so basically you guys can use this rule over here. I show you this one. This one is your quotient rule, right, guys? Petua hasil bagi. So you just apply this formula lah. No need to memorize. They already give you. Tak perlu hafal. Okay? So you just apply this formula for the question. Okay, yes. All right. Okay. But then if you have alternative, right, guys, you can actually try expand this. Okay, cuba kembangkan yang ni. You can actually notice that you can actually simplify, guys. Kamu boleh permudahkan. Can you see this, guys? So actually, do you need to use quotient rule lah? Perlu tak guna petua hasil bagi? Actually, no need, guys. You can actually simplify the equation. Can you all see this? So guys, can you differentiate this directly? Boleh bezakan kan? Yang ni secara terus. You just differentiate this equation like normal lah. So what do you get? You will get 1 and then minus 25 x power negative 2. Am I right? There. You already differentiate lah. Sudah bezakan. And then equal to 0. Okay, then you solve for x. Selesaikan untuk x. Easy or not? Tak perlu guna petua hasil bagi. You can direct use this one. When should we use quotient rule? It depends. If you cannot solve it using normal method, then you can use quotient. Okay, I give you an example. Let's say, guys, they ask you to find the differentiation of this equation. Okay, katakanlah they give you this question. So, guys, can you differentiate this directly? Hey, sorry. I need to change a bit. I put a square here. Can we differentiate this directly, guys? Boleh tak? Bezakan ni secara terus. Cannot, right? So you use quotient rule lah. Petua hasil bagi. Your top one is your U. Your bottom one is the V. Understand? Boleh faham tak? You can expand lah. So x power 4 minus 3x square is your V. Then you differentiate x power 4 minus 3x square. Okay? So this is when you guys can use quotient rule. All right. Okay. So then when you solve this question, you should get the answer is you should get this one. Okay. This is your coordinate. Okay. So you will have two answer, guys. Dua jawapan because it's x square. So you need to consider positive 5 and also negative 5. And then make sure when they say coordinate, you must sub back inside your original equation. Selalu ganti ke persamaan asal, find your y value. Cari nilai y. Alright? So that's the concept. Okay? How to use formula? Which formula? No need to use the quotient rule here, guys. No need. This question no need quotient rule. Just normal differentiation. Can you see? No need quotient rule. Alright? For the formula, it's basically you just differentiate this and differentiate this separately, and then the formula is v du over dx. Wait. I explain this one first. Minus u dv over dx over v square. This one is quotient rule, right, guys? Petua hasil bagi. So you just substitute all your information lah, guys. V is this one. Du dx is the differentiation of this one. U is this one. And then dv dx is the differentiation of this one lah. V square. You substitute this and then you square the whole thing. Kuasa 2. So this is how you use the formula. Okay, how to get the coordinate? You just solve this equation. You will get x equal 5 and negative 5. Am I right? So then you just substitute x equal to 5 in your equation over here. Can you see, guys? Gantikan x sama dengan 5 kat sini. Okay, when you substitute, then you just press calculator lah to find your y value. Okay, you must understand now, guys. If question say coordinate, your answer must always come like this. You cannot just write X equal to what, Y equal to what. Salah. Kena tulis dalam bentuk macam ni. Coordinate. Make sure you guys give your answer like this. If you just write like X equal 5 and then Y equal 0 and then the second one, you write X equal negative 5, X equal, Y equal negative 20. Let's say guys, I write my answer like this in the exam. Do I get full mark? Yes or no? Adakah saya dapat markah penuh? Kalau tulis macam ni. They ask you coordinate. Question ask coordinate. So is this correct? Jawapan betul tau guys. Your answer correct. But the way you write the answer is wrong. Cara tulis jawapan tu salah. So still you won't get this mark. So finally you get 2 out of 3 only. Faham tak? So that's why some of you maybe hilang your final mark. Okay? So just be careful on that. Okay, so next one. They ask you nature. So guys, how many nature of stationary point do you know? Berapa sifat titik pegun yang kamu tahu? Got only 3 guys. 3. Total is 3. Yes. So first, what is the first one? Very simple. So you just think of a curve lah guys. You think of quadratic curve. Yes, maximum point. Second, minimum point. Third, there is one more type of point. Usually this one is very rare. Sangat jarang. The third one. Yes, very good. Not no point guys. Guys, please don't write no point in your exam. Pemeriksa will laugh. Okay, there is no such thing as no point. We'll always have a point 1. The name is called as point of inflection. Okay, that's the third type. The nature of stationary point. Point of inflection is when your dy over dx equal to 0. Dalam BM ini dipanggil titik lengkok balas. Faham? Or your d2y over dx2 equal to 0. This is also called as point of inflection. Means that everything equal to 0 lah. This is point of inflection. Okay? Our right point is absent. Okay, don't write like that lah. Later the pemeriksa will laugh at your answer. Okay? Alright, so now you just need to do second derivative lah guys. Kamu buat pembezaan peringkat kedua. Okay, means that you just differentiate this equation for the second time. Okay, so if you differentiate for the second time, you will get like this. And then you just substitute. X equal 5, X equal negative 5. So guys, if your second derivative is greater than 0, means that this is a minimum point lah. Titik minimum. Kalau pembezaan peringkat kedua tu lebih besar dari kosong. And then if opposite, terbalik, means maximum lah. Okay? Understand? The concept is basically like the quadratic graph. So if your A value is greater than 0, you have a minimum point, right? Titik kamu minimum kan? If A value less than 0, you have a maximum point. So can you see less than 0, greater than 0? Concept sama. Same concept. Understand? How come I can't get negative 20? Must differentiate again. Negative 20, no. You just substitute x equal negative 5 in your equation here. You will get negative 20. Can you just put negative 5 over here. Then you find the y value lah. So the y value you will get is negative 20. Okay? No, is your y value because this is your y equation. Can you see? This one is for the first part lah. The second part, you substitute in your d2y over dx2 equation. This x equal negative 5, you substitute over here for your second derivative. Okay? Because this one you are determining the nature of the stationary point. Yes, differentiate twice. So you get this answer. All right? You differentiate this, then you will get this. Am I right? What is 50 over x cubed? This is second derivative, guys. This is your d2y over dx2. Understand? You guys got see the symbol, right? Pernah nampak kan? Yang ni, pembezaan peringkat kedua. Yes, sub into the second derivative. Okay, this one you sub over here. Okay? Understand? Can, for question 11? Okay. All right, so next question. Question 12. Okay, so for question 12 is on your probability. Okay, so guys, this one, is it binomial or normal? May I know? Tabuhan binomial or normal? Write minimum and maximum. Yes, you must write minimum and maximum. Okay, yes, this is binomial. Okay, so p value 0.25, n value is n. Okay, so now this is the important statement. Okay, so where is it? Kebangkalian menang sekali, 10 kali ganda. Kebangkalian kalah. Okay, so means that you write your equation lah guys. Probability x equal to 1 because menang satu kali is equal to 10 times. Okay, losing all game means what guys? May I know? Kalah semua maksudnya nilai X berapa? Kat sini. What is your X answer? Yes, because X is actually showing you your number of wins. Okay? X tu mewakili bilangan kemenangan. Okay, let me see. Okay. How to determine binomial or normal? You see the structure of the question. Okay? You must see the structure. So you see like the question never talk. Usually if normal, right guys, the question will tell you distributed normally. Seorang akan cakap tertabur secara normal. So usually quite senang nak nampak lah. For binomial, kamu akan tahu lah. Kalau bawah tu normal, then atas mesti binomial lah. Faham tak? If bahagian A is binomial, then bahagian B is normal. Macam tu. Okay. Basically, we use A if A answer, if A wrong, then B wrong. Yes, correct. If your A answer wrong for question 11, right guys, your B answer also wrong. Understand? So A kena betul for B. Because you see the word guys, hence. Hence means that you must refer to the previous question answer. This is the technique for AdMaths. Okay, kalau lihat seterusnya, lihat jawapan kat A. Alright? Kena guna jawapan sebelumnya. Alright? Okay, so now, this is your equation, right? So you can find the value of n lah. Okay, so you just use the formula for binomial. So NC1, 0.25 power 1, 0.75 power n minus 1. Okay, and then the rest. All right. So now, NC1, the value is actually n. Okay, you can press calculator. And then NC0 is 1. 0.25 power 0 is 1. So tak perlu nampak. You don't need to see all of this. Okay, so you will get something like this lah. Okay, so you take, you can shift this. Okay, pindahkan. So n minus 1. Okay, you guys must do the index law. Kena tahu hukum index. Okay, so 0.75 power n over 0.75 power n minus 1. What do you get guys? Dapat apa? You will take n minus 1, right? So you will get 0.75 power 1. Betul? Because n minus bracket n minus 1, you will get 1. So the answer is actually 0.75 only. Understand? Boleh dapat guys? How I get 0.75? So you just use the index law. Okay? And then this 10, you shift to the left hand side. Okay, so 0.25 bahagi 10, 0.025. Okay, and then you just solve the equation lah for n. Okay, so n sepatutnya dapat 30. Okay, clear guys? For question 12a, boleh? Can ah? Okay, so now they ask you to count variance. So variance very simple lah guys. Just use the formula. So variance equal to n p q. Yes, NPQ guys. NP is mean Ingat, NP adalah untuk mean binomial. Okay, so you just press calculator, get the answer. Alright. Okay, hold on. Alright. Which one? A. Oh, you want to see the answer? Oh, question. Okay. Guys, the remainder of you here, if you got friends want to join, you can invite also. Since I see the number go down. So kalau ada kawan-kawan nak join, boleh join juga. Okay, since we are discussing the trial question. Alright. So you can share to your friend. Okay, so next one. Question 13, guys. Okay, so for question 13, wait. Okay, so for this one, okay, let me see. Okay, so we will discuss only 2 questions lah guys, because you guys just need to solve 2 questions. Am I right? So you guys tell me, kamu nak pilih soalan apa? Choose 2 questions. I follow majority. 15 is trigo, 14 is index third log, 13 is function. Okay, 14, 15 lah. Okay, 14, 15 lah. 13, 15. I follow majority guys. Follow majority. 14, 15. Okay. If got time, I discuss all lah. But I go to 14, 15 first. Okay? All right. So now, question 14. Okay, so you see this question, guys. I follow majority one. Okay, so for this question, you must convert to the same base lah, guys. Kena lihat asal sama dulu. All right? Okay, so you see over here. Okay, so when you see 2 power 2x minus 1, you can, no need. You can do this step. Okay, 2 power 2x minus 1, you can write as like this. Okay, because kuasa tolak, you minus the power means divide. Okay, and then you copy 9, and then 2 power x over 2 square. And then plus 1. Okay, so actually you can see, right, guys, this is a quadratic, right? Ungkapan quadratic. Okay, because you can take 2 power x and then square. Tulis macam ni. Divide 2 minus 9 over 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. 2 power x plus 1 equals 0. So guys, okay, actually you can let lah. Okay, kamu boleh anggap. Okay, so let 2 power x equal to u. So u square over 2 minus 9 over 4 u square plus 1 equals 0. So guys, sorry, this one is u, not u square. Okay, plus 1 equals 0. Boleh dapat guys? Do you understand my method? So basically, I'm letting 2 power x equal to u. Okay, clear? So then you guys just solve lah quadratic equation. Okay, selesaikan. So you can use the factorization. Okay, so just faktorkan. So you will get the u value. Okay, so don't forget guys, when you get u value, jangan henti kat situ. You need to find back the x value. Kena cari nilai x. Okay, so this one is 2 power x equal to 2 power negative 1. Okay, because half is 2 power negative 1. So x equal to negative 1. 2 power x equal 4. So 2 power x equal to 2 square. 2 kuasa 2 is 4. So x equal to 2. Okay, understand? Boleh faham guys? Can I see the question once? Yes, sure. Okay. Can? Boleh ya guys? A1? Okay, next one. Okay, so we see the log. Okay, so for the log question. Okay, so they tell you log x4 equal to 2 plus 4 log 42. Okay guys, so you're going to change to what base? May I know? Kamu tukar jadi asas apa? Over here. What base you're going to change? Okay. Actually, if you guys see over here, right, you can actually do a shortcut. You can do shortcut. Okay, guys, your 4 log 42, right? This one, I change this one. So number in front, I can bring on top, right? Okay, nombor kat depan, bawah, atas, so can come kuasa. So it's 2 power 4. So guys, 2 power 4 is 16, right? 16. So log 4, 16, guys. Can anyone tell me what is the answer? Log 4, 16, you can find, right? Yes, 2 kan? Because 16 is 4 square. So 2 lah. Log 4, 4 is 1. So that's why you can actually get the answer already. Okay, this one is 2. So means that 2 plus 2 lah. 2 tambah 2. So log x4 is equal to 4. So guys, can I find my x? Surely can find lah. Okay, so x power 4 is equal to 4. You convert from log form to index form. Tukar bentuk log to index. So what is my x value, guys? Apa nilai x? Hati-hati. What is my x value here? Is x power 4 equal to 4? So mean that x equal to what? X equal to 4th root of 4 lah. Okay. is the fourth root, punca kuasa 4. Okay, so means that is actually you can simplify, you can get 2 square power 1 over 4. So it's 2 power 1 over 2 lah, which is square root 2. Okay, punca kuasa 2. Am I right? So your answer is actually square root 2. Okay, you should get, yeah, square root 2. Okay, can you guys see it? Boleh dapat? So guys, can I write negative square root 2 as my answer? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya dapat yang ni? Negative sedua based on my question. When change base, how to know change to which base? It depends. Anyway also can. You can change to base 4, you can change to base x. But in this question, you can see that this one got a value, right? So usually when it has a value, you try to find out. So that is easier for you to solve very fast. So guys, negative satu can now. Can I have my answer as negative sedua? Yes or no? Yes. Tak boleh. Why? Okay, you need to see here, guys. Can my base of log be negative? Yes or no? Asas log ni boleh negative ke tak? Over here. Wait, sorry. Too big already. Terlalu besar. Sat. Yes. Okay, my asas of the log cannot get negative. Wait guys. Let me get it back out. Can repeat 14A1. Why the screen suddenly blank, guys? Wait. Sat. How come suddenly blank? Now come back. Okay. I think computer also go crazy a bit. Okay. Can. 1.4142 boleh. Okay, so you guys see the base here, right? So you must understand that the base cannot be negative. Okay, asas log tak boleh negative. Alright? Clear, guys? Okay. Can repeat 14A1. What to do after let 2 power x equal to u? You just substitute lah. Can you see? You just substitute the u. How come we go and rub off? Wait, I write again, guys. Saya tulis lagi sekali. Okay, because over here you assume 2 power x equal to u, right? So you just write u square. And then this one is what? This one is 2 power 1. So over 2 minus 9 over 4u plus 1 equal to 0. Do you see it? Can? Do you understand? How to log? How? Guys, 16 is 4 square, right? Your log basic log, Bowen. 16 is 4 square. Square, number 2 you can bring in front, right? So you get 2 log 4. Answer 2, right? Okay. All right. So we go next question now, guys. Okay, wait. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we see question B. Okay, so for question B, they're asking you to solve this equation. Okay, kamu kena selesaikan persamaan. Okay, so means that what you need to find, guys? Kamu kena cari apa sebenarnya over here? May I know? What value you need to find? Kena cari nilai apa? So that's the question over here. So basically, you need to find the k value, right? Okay, kamu kena cari nilai k. Okay, so how do you find k? You just take square root k is equal to, okay, 5 you shift to the right hand side. So you get 4 plus 8 square root 2 and then divide 4 lah. Bagi 4. So what is your answer, guys? Your answer is 1 plus 2 square root 2. Is this the final answer, guys? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? Yes or no? Answer me, guys. No, right? Because you need to find k, right? So you need to square lah. Okay, this one. Kuasa 2. So you will get 1 plus 4 square root 2 plus 2 satu square. Seluruh ni kamu kuasa 2. So 2 satu square you will get 8 plus 8. Okay? So your answer will get 9 plus 4 satu. Okay? Boleh? Do you guys understand the step? So mean your A value is 9. The B value is 4 lah. So that's why my answer is 9 plus 4 satu. Okay? Boleh? Are you clear? Can? Okay. Wait guys. Wait for a while. Which one? Show me B. Wait, show me B. Your B is this one. Question, right? Answer. Oh, just now A. Oh, log. Okay. Can? Wow, guys, how come the number decrease so fast? What do you all think? Kenapa nombor berkurang sangat cepat? If you guys got friend to share the link, just share so that they can. Then guys, tadi ada orang kata you guys want to ask me teach until 4 a.m. Guys, never even sampai 11 a.m. so many leave already. Some people say stay until midnight. Ajar saya. You think how many gonna stay? Ngantuk kan? Until morning. Until morning you see how many left lah. Very smart lah you all. Answer, okay. Don't want. I also want to sleep already. Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, we see the last question now. Yes, one answer only. This one. Okay? Can, guys? All right, so last question. Okay, so for question 15. Okay, so this one is trigo again, guys. Okay, so they ask you to express cosecant alpha. Okay, so cosecant alpha. Okay, so basically you must draw your triangle lah, guys. Okay, so they say it's an acute angle, right? So, sudut apa? Sudut tirus. Okay, so this is your alpha. So means that this is quadrant 1 lah. So kuan pertama. So cos alpha is P. So mean that adjacent bersebelahan P, hypotenuse 1 lah. So that's why cos alpha equal P. And then opposite bertentangan, you should get 1 minus P square root. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So guys, cosecant alpha, what is your formula? May I know? You guys got study, right? Cosecant alpha sama dengan what? Your identity. Yes, where got cos? Are you sure cos? Cosecant, guys? Yes, 1 over sine alpha. Am I right? So sine alpha is what? Based on your question, sine alpha adalah bertentangan, opposite, over hypotenuse. Okay, so it's 1 over sec 1 minus P square. Okay, that's why your answer is this one. Okay, clear? Boleh dapat yang ni? I think it's quite simple lah. Okay, very straightforward. Part A. Alright. Okay, next one. Okay, so for part B, they ask you to prove this. Kamu kena buktikan. Okay, so do you guys start from the left hand side or right hand side? May I know? Bahagian kiri atau kanan? Left hand side. Very good. Okay, you must start from the more complex side. Okay, mula dari yang susah. Okay, so basically you guys just need to combine this fraction lah. Okay, kamu gabung saja. So you will get this one after you combine the fraction. And then your sine square x, right? You can write it as 1 minus cos square x. Betul? Okay, because sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is your formula that you must know. Okay, ini adalah identity. Cos square x equal to 1. Okay? So then you get sine square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, then you can simplify, permudahkan. Okay, so actually cos square x and cos square x will cut off. Dia akan potong. So over here you left with 1 plus 2 cos x. Okay? So cos square x potong kat sini. Okay, so 1 plus 1, you get 2 plus 2 cos x. So you can factorize out the 2. Faktorkan. So you can see that 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x, atas bawah, you can cancel. So 2 over sin x. What do you get, guys? 2 cosecant x. Am I right? Because 1 over sin x equal to cosecant x. So your answer is 2 cosecant x. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh faham how to prove this? Tak susah kan? It's not that hard, right? Actually very fast. Sangat pantas. The most important concept is that you must combine these two fraction. Kamu kena gabungkan dua-dua ni. That's all. Then you just algebra only. You can get this answer. Okay? Alright. So last question. So they're asking you to find the value of cos 480. Okay, so how to find guys? So you need to imagine lah cos 480. So this is positive angle, right? So it should be in quadrant 2. Am I right? Sukuan kedua. So guys, may I know what is the reference angle over here? Apa sudut rujukan dia? Means that this angle, how much? So all of these total 480. So tinggal kat sini berapa? How much? Very good. 60 guys, 60. Okay, because total one circle 360 plus 180. So 540. So 540 minus 480, 60 lah. Am I right? So now, macam mana cari cos 480? So you need to form the relationship. So cos 480, okay guys, cos, second quadrant, negative or positive? May I know? Cos quadrant kedua, sukuan kedua. Negative, right? So means that is negative cos 60. Do you guys understand the relationship? Boleh faham? That's why I add negative sign over here. Okay, so that's why you can see they get this equation. Okay, inilah persamaan dia. So guys, what is the value of negative cos 60? Okay, so you need to memorize the triangle. Kena ingat segitiga. Okay, remember the special triangle lah guys. Ini adalah segitiga sudut-sudut khas. Special angle. Okay, so you have 90, 60, 30. And then this one is 2. This one is 1. This one is 3. Okay, so what is cos 60 guys? Tell me the answer. Apa jawapan dia? See the triangle. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Sorry. Yeah. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Bersebelahan bagi hypotenuse. So you should get half lah. So that's why the answer is negative 1 over 2. Okay, negative sign you add because cos is negative. Quadrant 2. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh faham all the discussion? Wait, I think got one more question, right? Oh, tak ada. That's all. Okay guys, do you understand the whole discussion today? Okay, question A. Wait. Question A. Wait. Okay. They say is acute angle, right? Henti guys, jangan left. Don't leave yet. Okay, so alpha is an acute angle, right? Okay, so means that acute angle is quadrant 1. Do you understand? So means that cos alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So bersebelahan P, hypotenuse 1. Do you understand? Ethan? So cos alpha you will get P. But now they ask you cosecant alpha. So cosecant alpha is 1 over sine alpha. So 1 over sine alpha is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's sert 1 minus P square lah. So it's 1 over sert 1 minus P square. Can you see? Can? What Bhavan? What is 13? Oh, question 13. Okay. Wow, you guys still can tahan, All right. Okay, question 13. Question 13 not hard lah, guys. Okay, image of negative 2 and 8. Okay, basically you just substitute lah. X equal negative 2 and X equal to 8 in your function here. Gantikan saja. Fast calculator. So your answer will get 9 and 11. Okay? This one clear? A1 should be clear lah. Just substitute X equal negative 2 and X equal 8. Alright? I cannot close this one, guys. Somehow if I close, then it will close everything. So far not blocking lah. So I don't want to close. Okay? How to hide? I also don't know. It works, Wow. Okay. Alright, so they ask you to sketch this graph. Gx equal to 1 minus fx. So negative 2 until 8. Absolute cinema. Okay, so how to sketch this graph, guys? So you just need to follow lah. 1 minus modulus phi minus 2x. So your answer is what? You should get negative 2x minus 4 lah. Wait. Oh, no need. You need to simplify, guys. You just maintain like this and sketch your graph. Maintain macam ni saja. And then you just substitute x equal negative 2 Inside here, count your value, substitute x equal 8, count your value. So you will get these 2 points lah when you substitute. Okay, and then find your y-intercept also. Okay, cari pintasan y. So means that x equals 0 lah. So you will get -4. Am I right? So this is another point. And then you find your another value. Let me see, what other value can you find? You can find when when y equals 0. Okay, katakan y equals 0, then you find your x value. Also can. So you will get another 2 points here. 2 titik. And then you can also find the maximum point. Titik maximum. So you just substitute x equal 5 over 2. And then you get the y value lah. Cari nilai y. Alright, sub-0 and range value only when sketch function. Yes, correct. You substitute the point one by one, then you plot. Do you understand? You find an x equal, yeah. So you just draw a table of values lah, guys. So can you see? Basically, they are focusing on this point only in the answer scheme. So you must have this point, you must have this point, and you must have this point. The other point not important. Understand? So yang tiga ni kena nampak. Then you will get the shape already. Okay? 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is from this graph. Bowen. So you follow whatever point in the original graph, you just substitute when you ask to draw a new graph. Okay? Can A2? So you guys know lah, it's a V-shaped graph. Am I right? Okay, so last one. Okay, so for question, yes, correct. Substitute x equals 0 to find the y-intercept. All right? Okay, so for this one, guys, they ask you to find kx. Okay, so senang, right? So you know hkx equal to 2x minus 9. So you substitute kx inside the x term lah of your hx function. Okay, kamu gantikan kx inside the x. Okay, so you will get 4 over kx plus 2 equal to 2x minus 9. Am I right? So then you just solve lah for kx, guys. Can? Selesaikan saja for kx. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so the answer will get this one. Okay, make sure, guys, important, focus, when you have variable at the bottom of your fraction, always state the condition for your x value. Kena nyatakan keadaan nilai x. Kalau kamu nampak penyebut kat bawah, ada pemboleh ubah. Okay, faham? So if you see like 2x, you must find the x value. So x cannot equal to 9 over 2. Understand? Make sure you write this, guys, because you see that got an extra mark. Ada satu lagi marker is actually for this condition. Understand? And then this mark is for your final answer. This one. Okay? So make sure you state the condition. Okay, guys? Yes. Question B. Okay, so get ready to take picture. One more time. Satu lagi kali. I hope everyone can open their camera also. You guys say want to do until 12 a.m., right? So you want me continue some more? Nak bincang lagi? Okay, that's all right. Okay, so now we take picture. Jom. Can? Kita ambil gambar. Because our final class together, right? Actually, tomorrow final class, right? But never mind lah. Today also feel like final already. Am I right? Hari ini pun rasa macam final already. Am I right? Wait. Tunggu. Wait guys. Jangan left. Come guys. Open your camera, jom. Spotting sikit lah guys. Open camera. Okay, wait. Let me off recording. Okay, so for this one, we can actually shift this one to the right hand side of the equation. Okay, kita boleh pindahkan ni kepada bahagian persamaan kanan persamaan. Okay, so you can actually get 0.75 kuasa n and then divide by 0.75 power n minus 1. Okay, so when you guys do this, bila buat yang ni, you guys should actually get 0.75. You apply your index rule lah, guna hukum index. Okay, so you'll get n minus 1. Okay, so it's something like this, macam ni. Okay, so then you will get 0.75 or 1 lah, kuasa 1 saja. N minus N cancel. So you get 0.75. So this is how we get 0.75 over here. Okay, ini cara dia. Alright. Okay, so now you guys can solve for N lah. So you can shift this one to the left hand side. Okay, pindah ni kepada sebelah kanan, sebelah kiri. So you get 0.25 over 1. And then divide by 10. Bagi 10. So it's 0.025. And then you solve for N. Selesaikan untuk nilai N. So this is for question A. Okay, about the value of N. Okay. And then next they ask you to find the variance. Bilangan kemenangan, number of wins. So variance formula for binomial you should get N PQ. Okay, ini adalah rumus dia lah untuk variance jawapan binomial. Okay, so means that N sama dengan jawapan tadi, which is 30. And then your P value is 0.25, kebangkalian kemenangan. And then the Q value will be 1 minus P. So 1 minus 0.25, 0.75 for nilai Q. Okay, so your answer for variance should get 5.625. Okay, so inilah jawapan dia lah. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so now let's focus on the section B. Okay, so for question 14, this topic is on indices, surd, and log. Alright. Okay, so let's see the first question. Soalan ni. Okay, so when they say solve, selesaikan means that you must find the x value. Kamu kena cari nilai x. Alright. Okay, so 2 power 2x minus 1, this one, I can actually write it as 2 power 2x over 2 power 1. Saya boleh tulis macam ni. Because power minus means you divide. Tolak maksudnya bagi, index. Okay, so then if you solve, you can simplify it to become 2 power x, and then the whole thing you square. Seluruh kuasa 2, and then divide by 2. So this is the simplified form lah, bentuk termudah. Okay, then you focus on this one. So 9 times 2 power x minus 2. Okay, kalau macam ni, you can simplify also. When the power minus, you will get divide. So it's 9 and then 2 power x over 2 square. Dia macam ni. Alright, over 2 square. Okay, so this one you can actually simplify, pemudahkan. So you will get 9 over 4 times 2 power x. Okay, this one is 9 over 4. 2 power x. Okay, boleh? So now you guys can see that this is a quadratic equation. Okay, persamaan kuadratik. So now you can make the assumption. Okay, kamu boleh buat anggapan. So the assumption is we want to substitute 2x with a number. Kita nak gantikan ni dengan satu pemalah. Okay, so 2 power x, I let it equal to u. Okay, this is the concept lah. 2 kuasa x sama dengan u. So when you do this, you will actually get something like this. Okay, can you guys see it? Boleh nampak? So you'll get 2u minus 1 times u minus 4 equals 0 because we do this assumption. Okay, inilah anggapan kita. Okay, so you guys just solve the equation for u lah. So you should get half and u equal to 4. Okay, but this is not our final answer. Ini bukan jawapan akhir because you need to find the x. Kamu pernah cari nilai x. So 2 power x is actually equal to half and 2 power x is equal to 4. Okay, so then you can solve these equations. So half is actually 2 power negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. And 4 is actually 2 square, 2 kuasa 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. So that's why the final answer is negative 1 and also 2. Okay, boleh dapat? Are you guys clear on this? So this is for question A1. And then for A2, for logarithm, okay, so you need to focus on this one over here. Okay, so when you see 4 log 4, 2, we can actually write it as log 4, asas 4, base 4, 2 power 4. Okay, because the number in front in log, we can bring it on top to become a power. Okay, nombor kat depan tu boleh bawa atas jadi kuasa. So if you guys try and see, you will actually get log 4, 16. Okay, so 16, 16 is actually 4 square, right? Yang ni adalah 4 kuasa 2. So guys, the number 2 as a power you can bring in front. So log 4, the answer is 1. So that's why jawapan dia 2 sajalah. It's only 2. So 2 plus 2 equal to log x4. Okay, so log x4 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the equation now. Log x4 equal to 4. So you will get x equal to x power 4 is equal to 1 over 4. X kuasa 4 sama dengan 4. So if I want to find the x, I just take the 4th root, punca kuasa 4 of 4. Okay, then I will get the answer lah. So jawapan saya will get cert 2. Or you can leave your answer in decimal also can. Perpuluhan pun boleh, which is 1.414. Okay, but cert form is better lah. Kalau tinggal dalam bentuk cert lebih tepat. Alright. Okay, so this one is for question A2. Senang? I think it's quite simple lah to get this 6 mark. Okay? Alright, so next one. They ask you to solve this equation, guys. Kamu kena selesaikan persamaan ni. So means that you need to find the K lah. Kena cari nilai K and it must be in the format of A plus B cert 2. Okay? So this is the concept. Okay, so now you can actually shift the 5 to the right hand side. Okay, pindah 5 ke sebelah kanan. So you will get 4 plus 8 cert 2. Okay, inilah persamaan dia, your equation. And then you can find cert K. Okay, so cert K you will get bahagi 4. Divide 4 on left hand side and right hand side of the equation. Bahagi 4 kiri dan kanan. So you will get 1 plus 2 cert 2. Okay, this is not our final answer yet. Ini bukan jawapan akhir, so you need to find the K. So the K you should get 1 plus square. So you square this whole thing, kuasa 2. Okay, so that you can get rid of the square root. So left hand side square, right hand side square. So you will get 2 times 2 cert 2. So you will get 4 cert 2. And then 2 cert 2 square, you will get 4 times 2, which is 8. 8. Okay, so your final answer is actually 9 plus 4 cert 2. Okay, means that nilai A, your A value is 9, and nilai B, your B value is 4. Okay, so that's why your answer for this question is actually 9 plus 4 cert 2. Okay, so total this question you will get 8 marks, 8 markah secara jumlah. So I think it's quite good to choose this question lah. Senang nak jawab soalan ni. Alright, this question is 2 marks, 2 markah. Okay. Which one? Show me B. Wait, show me B. Your B is this one. Question, right? Answer. Oh, just now A. Oh, log. Okay. Can? Wow, guys, how come the number decrease so fast? What do you all think? Kenapa nombor berkurang sangat cepat? If you guys got friend to share the link, just share so that they can. Then guys, tadi ada orang kata you guys want to ask me teach until 4 a.m. Guys, never even sampai 11 a.m. so many leave already. Some people say stay until midnight. Ajar saya. You think how many gonna stay? Ngantuk kan? Until morning. Until morning you see how many left lah. Very smart lah you all. Answer, okay. Don't want. I also want to sleep already. Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, we see the last question now. Yes, one answer only. This one. Okay? Can, guys? All right, so last question. Okay, so for question 15. Okay, so this one is trigo again, guys. Okay, so they ask you to express cosecant alpha. Okay, so cosecant alpha, Okay, so basically you must draw your triangle lah guys. Okay, so they say it's an acute angle, right? So, sudut apa? Sudut tirus. Okay, so this is your alpha. So means that this is quadrant 1 lah. Sukuan pertama. So cos alpha is P. So mean that adjacent bersebelahan P, hypotenuse 1 lah. So that's why cos alpha equal P. And then opposite bertentangan, you should get 1 minus P square root. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So guys, cosecant alpha, what is your formula? May I know? You guys got study, right? Cosecant alpha sama dengan what? Your identity. Yes, where got cos? Are you sure cos? Cosecant, guys? Yes, 1 over sine alpha. Am I right? So sine alpha is what? Based on your question, sine alpha adalah bertentangan, opposite, over hypotenuse. Okay, so it's 1 over sec 1 minus P square. Okay, that's why your answer is this one. Okay, clear? Boleh dapat yang ni? I think it's quite simple lah. Okay, very straightforward. Part A. Alright. Okay, next one. Okay, so for part B, they ask you to prove this. Kamu kena buktikan. Okay, so do you guys start from the left hand side or right hand side? May I know? Bahagian kiri atau kanan? Left hand side. Very good. Okay, you must start from the more complex side. Okay, mula dari yang susah. Okay, so basically you guys just need to combine this fraction lah. Okay, kamu gabung saja. So you will get this one after you combine the fraction. And then your sine square x, right? You can write it as 1 minus cos square x. Betul? Okay, because sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is your formula that you must know. Okay, ini adalah identity. Cos square x equal to 1. Okay, so then you get sine square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, then you can simplify, permudahkan. Okay, so actually cos square x and cos square x will cut off. Dia akan potong. So over here you left with 1 plus 2 cos x. Okay, so cos square x potong kat sini. Okay, so 1 plus 1, you get 2 plus 2 cos x. So you can factorize out the 2. Faktorkan. So you can see that 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x, atas bawah, you can cancel. So 2 over sin x, what do you get guys? 2 cosecant x. Am I right? Because 1 over sin x equal to cosecant x. So your answer is 2 cosecant x. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh faham how to prove this? Tak susah kan? It's not that hard, right? Actually very fast. Sangat pantas. The most important concept is that you must combine these two fractions. Kamu kena gabungkan dua-dua ni. That's all. Then you just algebra only. You can get this answer. Okay? Alright. So last question. So they're asking you to find the value of cos 480. Okay, so how to find guys? So you need to imagine lah. Cos 480. So this is positive angle, right? So it should be in quadrant 2. Am I right? Sukuan kedua. So guys, may I know what is the reference angle over here? Apa sudut rujukan dia? Means that this angle, how much? So all of these total 480. So tinggal kat sini berapa? How much? Very good. 60 guys, 60. Okay, because total one circle 360 plus 180. So 540. So 540 minus 480, 60 lah. Am I right? So now, macam mana cari cos 480? So you need to form the relationship. So cos 480, okay guys, cos, second quadrant, negative or positive? May I know? Cos quadrant kedua, sukuan kedua, negative, right? So means that is negative cos 60. Do you guys understand the relationship? Boleh faham? That's why I add negative sign over here. Okay, so that's why you can see they get this equation. Okay, inilah persamaan dia. So guys, what is the value of negative cos 60? Okay, so you need to memorize the triangle. Kena ingat segitiga. Okay, remember the special triangle lah guys. Ini adalah segitiga sudut-sudut khas. Special angle. Okay, so you have 90, 60, 30. And then this one is 2. This one is 1. This one is 3. Okay, so what is cos 60 guys? Tell me the answer. Apa jawapan dia? See the triangle. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Sorry. Yeah. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Bersebelahan bagi hypotenuse. So you should get half lah. So that's why the answer is negative 1 over 2. Okay, negative sign you add because cos is negative. Quadrant 2. Okay? Understand, guys? Boleh faham? All the discussion. Wait, I think got one more question, right? Oh, tak ada. That's all. Okay, guys. Do you understand the whole discussion today? Okay, question A. Wait. Question A. Wait. Okay. They say is acute angle, right? Henti, guys. Jangan left. Don't leave yet. Okay, so alpha is an acute angle, right? Okay, so means that acute angle is quadrant 1. Do you understand? So means that cos alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So bersebelahan P, hypotenuse 1. Do you understand? Ethan? So cos alpha, you will get P. But now they ask you cosecant alpha. So cosecant alpha is 1 over sine alpha. So 1 over sine alpha is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's sert 1 minus P square lah. So it's 1 over sert 1 minus P square. Can you see? Can? What Bhavan? What is 13? Oh, question 13. Okay. Wow, you guys still can tahan, huh? All right. Okay, question 13. Question 13 not hard lah, guys. Okay, image of negative 2 and 8. Okay, basically you just substitute lah. X equal negative 2 and X equal to 8 in your function here. Gantikan saja. Press calculator. So your answer will get 9 and 11. Okay? This one clear? A1 should be clear lah. Just substitute X equal negative 2 and X equal 8. Alright? I cannot close this one, guys. Somehow if I close, then it will close everything. So far not blocking lah. So I don't want to close. Okay? How to hide? I also don't know. It works, huh? Wow. Okay. All right. So they ask you to sketch this graph. Gx equal to 1 minus fx. So negative 2 until 8. Absolute cinema. Okay. So how to sketch this graph, guys? So you just need to follow lah. 1 minus modulus phi minus 2x. So your answer is what? You should get negative 2x minus 4 lah. Wait. Oh, no need. You need to simplify, guys. You just maintain like this and sketch your graph. Maintain macam ni saja. And then you just substitute x equal negative 2. Inside here, count your value. Substitute x equal 8. Count your value. So you will get these 2 points lah when you substitute. Okay, and then find your y-intercept also. Okay, cari pintasan y. So means that x equals 0 lah. So you will get negative 4. Am I right? So this is another point. And then you find your another value. Let me see, what other value can you find? You can find when y equals 0. Okay, katakan y equals 0, then you find your x value. Also can. So you will get another 2 points here. 2 titik. And then you can also find the maximum point. Titik maximum. So you just substitute x equal 5 over 2. And then you get the y value lah. Cari nilai y. Alright, sub-zero and range value only when sketch function. Yes, correct. You substitute the point 1 by 1, then you plot. Do you understand? You find an x equal, So you just draw a table of values lah, guys. So can you see? Basically, they are focusing on this point only in the answer scheme. So you must have this point, you must have this point, and you must have this point. The other point not important. Understand? So yang tiga ni kena nampak. Then you will get the shape already. Okay? 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is from this graph. Bowen. So you follow whatever point in the original graph, you just substitute when you ask to draw a new graph. Okay? Can A2? So you guys know lah, it's a V-shaped graph. Am I right? Okay, so last one. Okay, so for question, yes, correct. Substitute x equals 0 to find the y-intercept. All right. Okay. So for this one, guys, they ask you to find kx. Okay, so senang, right? So you know hkx equal to 2x minus 9. So you substitute kx inside the x term lah of your hx function. Okay, kamu gantikan kx inside the x. Okay, so you will get 4 over kx plus 2 equal to 2x minus 9. Am I right? So then you just solve lah for kx, guys. Can? Selesaikan saja for kx. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so the answer will get this one. Okay, make sure, guys, important, focus, when you have variable at the bottom of your fraction, always state the condition for your x value. Kena nyatakan keadaan nilai x. Kalau kamu nampak penyebut kat bawah, ada pemboleh ubah. Okay, faham? So if you see like 2x, you must find the x value. So x cannot equal to 9 over 2. Understand? Make sure you write this, guys, because you see that got an extra mark. Ada satu lagi marker is actually for this condition. Understand? And then this mark is for your final answer. This one. Okay? So make sure you state the condition. Okay, guys? Yes. Question B. Okay, so get ready to take picture. One more time. Satu lagi kali. I hope everyone can open their camera also. You guys say want to do until 12 a.m., right? So you want me continue some more? Nak bincang lagi? Okay, that's all right. Okay, so now we take picture. Jom. Can? Kita ambil gambar, because our final class together, right? Actually, tomorrow final class, right? But never mind lah. Today also feel like final already. Am I right? Hari ini pun rasa macam final already. Am I right? Wait. Tunggu. Wait guys. Jangan left. Come guys, open your camera, jom. Spotting sikit lah guys. Open camera. Okay, wait. Let me off recording.